with a counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be
Yo.
my son. Y'all don't get it.
What up, chat? Good morning.
Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't
How we
making
doing?
music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I
What
know
up,
he
chat?
did
What
it
up,
so
what up?
the water didn't wake you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Praise God. Hallelujah. Welcome in. Welcome in. Let's roll, baby. Let's roll. W's in the chat. All right. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Welcome in.
You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise.
All right.
Lead me
How y'all feeling,
to
man?
your altar.
Happy Tuesday,
Wash away
everyone.
my shame.
Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome back to another live stream here. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. What's good, everyone? Who we got here? AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? What up, Wags? What up, OGH? Ewan in the building. Gotta Trade is in the house. What up, Gotta Trade? Let's go, LeGrand. What up, Stevie Mac? Mr. Ewan is in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Scott Blackwood? What's good? What's good? Traders X in the house. What up, Traders X? How you guys doing today? What up, Magnus? Nice to meet you yesterday, Magnus. Yes, sir. Magnus about to go on a run. Golden Heart in the building. What up, Golden Heart? What up, Rob Traits in the building? What up, Rob? What up, Xander? Yanosh in the house. What's up, Yanosh? What's good? What's good? Who else? Who else? Buzz Blab's here today. What up, Buzz Blab? What up? Yes, sir. Ecom Dre in the house. Z Gamers in the house. All right. Now we can get started. Good morning, Tamra. Yo. Felix said Stranger. What up, Felix? What up, Felix? What up, Captain? Good morning, brother. Good morning. Diogo in the house. What up, Chala? Good morning, Chala. Chala. True Crime. What's good? What's good? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Let's move the chat. Hey, would you guys like me to keep the Zoom chat up or to the side? What do you think? Okay, I'll keep it to the side. All right. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. It is a new day. It is Tuesday. We are ready to rock and roll here. I just want to finish one more thing here, and then we are ready to get started. TK's in the building. What up, TK? Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Oscar. Can't have the Zoom chat. We be wildin'. Yeah, that's true, actually. All right, Zoom chat stays over here. Zoom chat stays over here. All right, let's get the day started here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in, welcome in. We're gonna get started right now. Today is Tuesday. It is the 6th day here of August, so it's gonna be a great day here for us. We're gonna approach the markets like we do every day. First, we're gonna start with some prayer, and then we're gonna dive in and see what this day has in store for us. So let's go ahead and pray. Good morning, Richard Lewis. Right on time, sir. Morning, Andrew. Let me pray for y'all, and we're gonna get the party started here. Father in heaven, Lord, thank you, Lord, that we can gather in your name. Thank you that we can come to you in prayer, Lord, and give our requests, Lord, and thanksgiving. And we thank you, Lord, for what you're doing. We ask that you continue to use this live stream to glorify your name. It's not me, Lord, it's just you. It's all you, Lord. I just want the people to know that I'm not that special. I just walk by faith, Lord. I thank you for blessing this path that I'm on. I thank you for using me and calling me into the wilderness, Lord, into the deep waters, Lord, into the unknown. I thank you for the people that are out there. I thank you for the hearts that are hungry here today, this week, and this year, Lord. I thank you for the magic work that you're doing all across the world, Lord. So I pray for your people here today that as they come in and out the stream, Lord, that they would be blessed, that they would have vision, Lord, and that they would have everything they need on their path to accomplish that vision, Lord. So we thank you for it in advance with thanksgiving, Lord. We give you all the glory for it in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 The path is blessed, my friends. Whether you believe it or not, God's got a plan for your life. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time to realize that. But time is our edge. Time is our friend. And I'm praying for you guys, man. So let's go ahead and get the day started. We're going to rock and roll here again. Today is what is today? Today is Tuesday. It is August 6th. And it's going to be a great day here for us. It doesn't look like there's much in the headlines here for us today. As you can see, all the pairs. A lot going on, but nothing too crazy concerning the lovely US dollar here. So not much happening. We should be pretty clear. Should be clear skies here today. For the most part, we will basically just follow price action, right? Follow price action like we do every day. Nothing too crazy in terms of news. But yeah, that's it. Let me just lower the music. I think it's a little too loud there. Yeah, other than that, we're pretty chilling. So let's go ahead and get a read on the markets. Let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you just show up here every day, just type timeneedtrading.com or whatever, and come here and you're not subbed, sub to the channel, man. Hit us with a little subby. Before we get to work. All right. Let me just move this. Zoom, how y'all doing? You guys good? You guys good, Zoomers? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. All right. Hey, Zoomers, give the stream a like, too, even though you're not on the stream. Pay the fee. All right, let's take a look at gold here. Let's dive into some technicals, and let's do a top-down analysis and see what we can make out of this day here on the lovely 6th day of August. You guys ready? Ready? Let me move my chat. You guys like the stream? You guys gave the stream a like? I'm trusting you guys. I'm not going to go and look. I'm just trusting y'all. All right. Let's start here today. So let's talk about the daily time frame, and we'll start from here, right? So what can we say about the daily time frame? Well, you know, not yesterday, but Friday, I believe it was, we did end up closing with a wacky candle here, right? This was your NFP Friday candle right here. We did close bearish, right? Let me lower the music just a little bit more. All right. So we did create resistance, right? So we have this resistance level here that we created. We have clean traffic moving down, right? As you can see, there's nice clean move coming down into like the support level. So you got this support level right here in which price was most likely looking to target. So as you can see, the candle closed. This guy opened up, created a beautiful top wick, respected this resistance level, came down, filled the wick during like Asian London, and then New York just continued to pump down until about that 9 a.m. new 4-hour candle, right? So price pushed down. If you notice, right, this is a targeted area here, right? This is a major support level, which we went ahead and tapped. So we watched this live yesterday, how we tapped into that support level, and pretty much understood, hey, the job has been done, right? The job's been done. The wick has been filled. The target has been tapped. There's really no reason to go back down in this range here for the rest of the day. And that that seemed to play out perfectly, right? So let's go down to the 4 hours so we can get some more details about this daily candle here, yesterday's daily candle, so we can talk about that. So notice how that was the last point, right? We talked about this candle not even going to be able to come down and tap into zone again. So let's talk about the 4 hour. 4 hour candles had a nasty range going on, right? Some sort of a range within here. This was your consolidation here on the 4 hour time frame. I think it was yesterday or the day, I don't know, I think that was like pre-Asian or after New York, right? Not yet yesterday, but the day before. But then we started consolidating. We opened up, we closed bearish here, and then this candle just drove down, right? That's a little bit in depth of that daily candle there. And then there was also a major support level here on the 4 hour time frame. You know, anywhere in this general zone right here was going to be targets, right, for the 4 hour candles to move down. So that target was hit, right? And that was our 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. candle. And then yesterday is when we took our buys here, right? So we expected price to come back up towards 24.20 and then see how we begin to react there. So as of right now, right, we're still below the range. We came in, we tapped into support, and this is pretty much the range that we're currently in on the 4 hour chart. Now we can probably tighten this range up now that we have a support, and we can look at it a little bit closer and say, hey, we've got support here, right? We've got resistance levels right here, and then this is our 4 hour chart now. So we're basically just consolidating a little bit and trying to see if we could pick a direction here. So let's go ahead to take a look at the 1 hour. Let's go back. So daily is technically bearish, right? But look where we closed, right? We closed right at this somewhat of a support level where price can, you know, definitely continue moving up here, right? I could see this daily candle today being able to close something like this, and then now, you know, potentially coming back up here. So let's keep that in the back of our mind here. We can still move down, right? We still have technically we still have a bearish candle with a wick to fill, but let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour again. I think if the 4 hour can close below, I think that wick will get filled today. I think if we close above here, which is 24.16, then we can make our way up and see this daily candle break the highs here and move bullish today, kind of like this candle here, right? Go ahead and flip back bullish and then continue up after breaking the highs. And what that would do is that would just create a support for the daily time frame here, right? It looks something like this, and then now you have a support level right here, and then potentially tomorrow we can continue moving up, or we can continue driving down, right? Close below the range and, you know, start to move down and fill that wick. So really anything could happen here today. I'm open for both buys and sells. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart here. So I am pretty bullish though, based off of this 4 hour, right? So we got this rejection to the downside here. You've got a support formed. There's no bottom wick just yet. So if we can get a bottom wick on this 4 hour candle, there's still what, almost 2 hours left. Yeah, almost 2 hours left of this 4 hour candle. If you can get some sort of a bottom wick, reflip bullish, I would anticipate, you know, this kind of closing above and then moving up, and that would make total sense for the daily candle to close bullish here later on today. Other than that, if you close below there, it's a pretty simple game here today, right? If you close below, then I think the daily may start, that would be the daily flipping bearish, and then we may continue down a little bit more here today. So let's keep all that in mind on the 4 hour chart. It's going to be a big clue to our story here today. 1 hour though has a nice resistance that was formed here. So we did form resistance here on the 1 hour. I think you've got pretty clean traffic coming down towards 98 if we're only looking at the 1 hour. Let's see what this looks like on the 30 minute. 30 minutes got support here. Yeah, so I think I found my day here, right? So I think I've got sells below 2409. Yeah, sells below 2409 here. You've got pretty clean range coming down. Let's go ahead and measure that range. It's going to be about a 70 pip range coming down. Clean traffic, a little bit of chippy, choppy to the left here, but all in all, pretty decent range coming down when we look at this fresh price action here. So I think I'll look for potential sells below 2409. Let me check the 4 hour. That would be the 4 hour breaking its low and then pushing down and closing below there. So that may be a possibility. Maybe what I'll do is, yeah, I like it. I like it because the daily's still bearish, and yeah, that makes perfect sense. So I'm going to look for sells below 2409 here today, and I'm going to look for buys above 2416. So going to stay away from this range that we're in right now. It's just kind of not really giving us too much. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, I like that. I think it's okay if you guys want to wait for some sort of a range to sell, but I like sells below here, and I like buys above 16 here. So sells below 09, buys above 16, and that is pretty much the day. So this is going to be a no trade range here for me, and then anything above is looking pretty solid. Pretty solid for if this daily candle wants to move up, and then anything below there is okay as well. It's not the greatest, but it's pretty good. You know, you got 70 pips here. You got another probably 50 on the way down. I think the best sells today are probably below this area right here, which is going to be 98. So those are probably going to be the best, most convenient sells. But I think that extends our range to like 170 pips. So yeah, that's crazy, right? So this range here is looking like a 75 pip range. That's big enough, and yeah, that's what we'll look for here today. Yeah, 4 hour may choke here too, right? Because we talked about this 4 hour yesterday. Remember when we anticipated this 4 hour candle moving up, right? Where do we anticipate it moving up to? Right here, right where we are now, right? So this may be the final destination for the 4 hour before we begin to drive back down, right? And begin to do something like this here. So we'll see. But that's the day for me so far. Those are going to be my ranges. Yep, right there. Let me put the boom. Yeah, that's it. Clean day though. Clean day. 4 hour tells a big story here today. Big story. So yeah, so buys above 16, sells below 09, and that's it. And that's it. Now we wait. Yo, good morning everyone. What up, Zoomers? What's good? What up, traders next door? What's good? PM Magnifico in the house. What up, brother? What's good? So yeah, man, that is it. What's up, J Mac? Good morning, man. The sells below here, they're kind of like, I almost want to wait for more of like a range too, just because this rejection here, right? And then we can just be coming down to make this bottom wick. So I'm going to be a little skeptical, a little hesitant maybe over here. I think sells below like here would make more sense, but then we've got no room, right? So I'm going to keep an eye on closures over here because I can smell some sort of like a fake out. You guys smell that over here? So we'll see. What up, Jason? Good morning, Nikki. What up, Stevie Mac? I think I said what up to Stevie Mac before. Yeah. Adam 8 Figs in the house. Let's go with the Mighty Duck. Is that the Mighty Duck or is that? Yeah. TK's over and out. TK, you at the airport already? What up, Gregski? Good morning. Good morning, Wizard Balm. What up? You guys got great names, man. How am I? I'm doing fantastic. I really am. I'm doing great. Yeah, how are you? Alf Stacks in the house. Yeet. What up, Raja? What's up, Nathan? Where'd TK go? TK, you at the airport? Oh. Yeah, he's time to eat, TK. You smell it? Hey, like I told you guys yesterday, when we say it's time to eat, we mean it. And if you think you've ate already, man, you haven't even gotten the bread yet. You just smell the bread. You've walked into the restaurant, right? We haven't even been brought to our table yet. So if you think you've already been eating, whether that be in knowledge, understanding, Money, you ain't even seen, we haven't even scratched the surface yet, man. Forget about the appetizers. We have not even buttered the bread. Yo, what up? The Prather trader. What's good? What's good? Yeah, you see the ranges, J-Mac? Yeah, so now the ranges are getting massive here on gold, right? So I think it was 2020, I forget. I think it was 21, 22, where the range just became massive, man. So you had, even though you had 100 pip stops, you had like 120 pip advantage points, you know, during that time. So we'll see. We'll see. I mean, this is 72 pip range, right? I would say like 2 months ago, we were looking at what, like a 30 pip range right here. And now it's 72 pips. So you'll see how the ranges widen out and they get bigger. And, you know, unfortunately, you have bigger stops. But fortunately, it doesn't really make a difference because your targets are much bigger as well. Chris from Uganda in the house. Let's get it. W. Bought my first challenge from top one. Nice. Let's go. Billy. Billy's lost. Billy's found, brother. Billy has been found. Yeah, you should change your name to Billy's Found. Whew, that's powerful, man. Good morning, Susanna. What's good? What's good? Dropout trader. How you guys doing, man? You guys doing good? We had a good day yesterday. Gold buys pretty much. Two gold buys yesterday, and then a gold sell I took later on during Asian session. We'll check out charts for stream here in a moment. Let me show you guys my Asian session move. So actually, hold on, let me get it. I got a better picture. Yeah, so this is my trade in Asian. Some of you guys took it, maybe some of you didn't, but it was pretty clean. It was a fade taken. You know, we were failing. This was the wick I was paying attention to. We were failing to break the highs. We ended up kind of coming up, trying to get it again, and then once we broke the lows, I was in there. So fade coming down. My target was down here. I ended up closing full position, like somewhere around these levels down here. Yeah, it was a good trade. Good trade, good trade. I know a lot. I've seen a bunch of you guys took this too, I think. Yeah, let's take a look at charts for stream. Let me just see something here. Yeah, let's take a look at charts for stream. We got a few minutes, and so we can hang out and see what we can learn from some other charts. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, if you guys want us to review your trades, just send them in, and we'll take a look. All right, let's see what we got here. So we got, where's number one? All right, so gold 1 hour previous day is bearish, previous 4 hours bullish. Okay, onion play on the 1 hour time frame right here. Entered on the break of the previous candle's highs. Okay, and took this loss. All right, no biggie. I like that trade. Yeah, I don't not like that trade. I think this was a pretty decent support. Bearish daily. Yeah, you had a bullish 4 hour candle. I don't know when this was, right? If this was, let's say, I don't know, 5-10 minutes into the 4 hour candle, then maybe that's what went wrong here, because the candle still needed to make, let's say, a bottom wick. But if it was like, you know, a regular trade, you know, midway in the 4 hour candle, I don't think it was bad at all. Yeah, sometimes I like to wait for like 9:15 to give me a little bit better direction when it comes to jumping into a trade like right off the 4 hour open. So that may be the only thing that held things up here. Other than that, pretty good. Nice onion play, just didn't work out that time. Yeah, you can increase your probability, by the way. So you can increase your probability by looking and saying, hey, what time do trades play out better for me? Like 8 a.m. typically, I'm not the greatest. 7:30, I'm not the greatest. 8:15, 8:30, totally different trader, right? 9:15, 9:30, really good. 9:45, really good. 10 a.m., really good. But there's sometimes where trades may not work out, and you just think, well, maybe probability, right? But why, right? The best question is why. It's so easy. It's one word, 3 letters. Why? right? That's the best question you could ever ask. So maybe the why here from my experience could be the fact that this was a couple minutes into the 4-hour candle. So if that was the case, just note that, keep that in mind. If it was just a regular trade, you know, midway through, I think it was pretty good. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at this one here. So we got, all right, so 4-hour daily bearish. All right, where's two? All right, clean range, 150 pips coming down. Advantage point to book partials. Okay. For emotions. Okay, emotions. So was confident about the analysis, set up either stop loss or target. Okay, execution was my part and I did it in the best way. Perfect. All right. And where are we at? 4, 5. So got BE after 23 pips. W trade. Okay, cool. Yeah, sweet, man. Daily candle also flipped here. Was this was yesterday? Was this yesterday? No. That was a London session. All right, cool. Yeah, so you got your BE. You almost hit your partials. You had clean traffic to the left. I love it, man. Great trade. You had a finally official closure below and the push down. Yeah, great trade. Good job. Good job. See, me, I really don't care if you win or lose. What I care is the trade. How does the trade look? What were they thinking? What were their emotions? What was going through their mind? What was leading them up to this trade? Right? That's what I care about. The outcome of it really doesn't matter, right? If it's a win, we go, awesome, great job, man, you're the man, right? And if it's a loss, we just find out what could increase the probability or what could have decreased the probability in that trade, and then we just make a mental note. So that's it. That's what you should be doing with all your trades, is really just focusing on what was the like the emotion, what was the psychology behind it, what led up to it, and is it part of your playbook? So I like this decent breakout. I think there was almost no wick there, so maybe I would have stayed out of that one. But yeah, other than that, great job. Great job. Let's take a look at this one. Same trade. So bearish, okay, bullet, all right. Break of the support on the 1530, entered on the previous lows, closed 50%. Yep, I like it. I like it. Closed 50. Yeah, it's not bad at all. You had your nice breakout, just didn't have any follow through. That's all. Yeah. And hey, maybe it didn't have any follow through, just maybe, because this candle had like no wick. Just maybe. Just a thought, right? So that may be why it didn't have any follow through, and then kind of moving back. Plus, I think the 4-hour was bullish, right? On this at that time, I think so. All right, what else we got? Let's take a look. It's a trade I took, 30-minute onion. My stop loss got hit. Can you tell me what my mistake was, or if it's a good idea? Yeah, let's take a look. So it looks like you took a sell here. Stops were up here. Yeah, so that's what I'm a little sketchy about, right? At this 2409 level 2 is these areas here may play a better role, right? But then if you put it here, now you got this one, right? And then if you put it there, there's another one right over here, right? And that kind of just chops up the whole range there. So I think, to be honest, I think range 2 sells are much better here today. Yeah, the last thing we want to do is sell the bottom wick on the new 4-hour candle, right? On the 4-hour candle. So I think I'm gonna be looking for range 2 sells below here today. Yeah, that was right here, right? Yeah, this was this candle here. So yeah, I think we may have a problem over here. Something's causing an issue in this zone here. So I need range 2 sells. So I'm gonna switch this over to range 2 sells. I know the daily's bearish, but you know, from a technical standpoint, yesterday was very tricky, right? Because from a technical standpoint, you would say, hey, well, the daily's bearish and the 4-hour's bearish. So why are we taking buys off this? You know, why are we taking buys? So technically, yes, you're correct, right? But when you add a little bit of like flow, right? Like a little bit of swag, like a little bit of experience into your trading, and you don't just keep it as like cookie cutter, you can begin to flow with the markets, right? And get a feel within the market here. I know it may sound a little strange, but I don't know how else to explain it, right? So the same thing's happening right now, because although we're bearish, right, we pulled back pretty heavy after tapping the major target there. And where did we close? Right? So although we're bearish, we also close right here. Right? So could this be an area where we want to create support? Right? That could very well be the case here and then begin to move up. Right? That's exactly what we did last time. We created this, right, support, and then we moved up. So although we are bearish technically, right, when it comes to a little bit of flow and a little bit of experience and, you know, just feeling the markets for where they are, you know, if you break that high, this is most likely, this daily candle will most likely move bullish here today at this level. So, you know, that was one of the tough things about yesterday's trade was for those that are new, it may have seemed like it was pretty stupid to take buys, right, when the daily and the 4 hour are bearish. But does that make sense? Like, does it make sense, like, where candles are designed to do specific things, right? And once they've done them, there's really no point in going back and doing it again, right? So that's a big thing I learned actually this year, a little bit like towards the end of last year, is when certain targets are tapped, there's a difference between like a wick to be filled and the target has already been tapped. And I'm just getting a feel that today this isn't a wick fill, right? This is a target that's been tapped, and now we may start to move in the other direction. So, you know, take that for what it's worth. But yeah, I forgot where we were even going with that. Oh yeah, this trade here. So yeah, oh yeah, and then the range 2, right? And then the range 2 buy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for range 2 sells below there now. But yeah, so there's something going on right here. Whoever took this trade, I forgot who it was. Young trader. Yeah, there's something going on here, man. So I would probably wait for range 2 sells if we're gonna take those again here. And then yeah. Other than that, good trade. The technicals were there, right? The onion was there. The face value of the playbook was there. The rejection, the resistance, and then the break of the lows. So that was there for sure. So good trade. Yo, what up, Dominic? Good morning, bro. What's good? What's good? Nice, Wags. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'd rather take buys here, right? Because the 4 hour looks pretty bullish. I mean, if that's the only low we're getting now, that's fine. I think we did break the low. Yeah, we re-broke that 4 hour low there. So if that's now the low here on the 4 hour and you get a closure above, this 4 hour candle may decide to push back up here and then be a part of the daily candle, you know, moving itself up as well, right? So if this 4 hour candle can pump, right, then I want to be in those buys. What's that going to do to the daily candle, right? That's going to turn the daily candle around and then maybe, right, create that support by the end of the day here in about 9 hours. But yeah, 30-minute candle closed. That's how it closed. Lovely. Now we wait on the 1 hour. We wait on the NY open. We wait on the volume. We wait on the clean ranges. And if we get it, we take our strike. We go ahead and take our trade and execute. My advice on BTC: buy and hold. Just buy and hold. Don't even try and day trade it. Just buy it, hold it, and forget about it for the next like couple years. And yeah. Don't look at your Bitcoin. Just keep buying. Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? Talk to me, chat. Talk to me. Who's got good questions? Anything about trading? Anything about just life? Anything about I don't know. Whatever you guys want to talk about. Whatever y'all want to talk about. Let's get some yeah, let's get some motion going. Let's get some motion, Storm Potato. Should I sell gold? Probably not. I probably wouldn't touch anything within this range here. I'd wait for closures either above or below it, and then that would give us a little bit better direction, right? Because we know that there's pretty clean range coming down towards like 98 here, and then you've got pretty clean range coming up towards, I think it's like 32, right? 32 up there. 32, yeah, 32. So that's it. You know, anything in here, don't even waste your precious brain cells trying to figure things out. Just let the market do what it has to do in this range, and then once you get clean breakouts outside the range, then I think we could start to do some thinking. I think we can do the thinking, and that's it. Competition links at Go. Yeah, they had to change something on the coupon code, so I think they already did it, or they're doing it this morning. Range twos. So range twos are simple. Like basically what you want to do most of the time, it's like, let's say the 4 hours bullish, and let's say the daily candle's bullish as well, and we want to take sells below this range here, right? So I don't want to really take sells below it, because I would get faked out all the time, meaning this candle would say close below, and then I would go ahead and take a sell here, right? But price would end up coming back, closing back in the range, and doing some sort of like a fake out, right? And then I'd get stopped out, price would move up like this. And essentially what I was doing is, when I was buying it right here, I was pretty much, I'm sorry, when I was selling it right here, I was pretty much selling the 4 hour candles low, right? So that's what we were talking about today. We don't want the 4 hour candle to turn around, make a steeper bottom wick, and us be entered into sells right there, and then the 4 hour starts taking off, right, in the bullish direction. So typically when that's the case, what I'll do is I'll wait for range 2 sells, meaning I'll wait for some sort of a break and retest. So I won't take the sell here, I'll let it go. You know, if it decides to create maybe a support right here, then I will look for sells now below this new support. And if we do get that closure, a lot of times at this point, when this looks like, if this is on the 15, let's say, or 30-minute time frame, by that time, this 4 hour candle here is starting to look like this, right? It's starting to actually reject and begin to like break its own lows. So it'll give you clues on the higher time frame as to when go time is. But yeah, you don't want to, the reason we wait for range 2 is because we don't want to get faked out and buy, or I'm sorry, sell when that 4 hour candle really wants to move up, right? Fake outs are always going to look legit, right? Otherwise no one would get faked out, right? So you're always going to have clean traffic to the left. There's always going to be volume. Everything's going to line up perfectly, and that's where the fake out's going to happen. So you can't avoid all fake outs, but you could avoid a lot of them by using this formula with the higher time frames, and then, you know, waiting for a break and retest before going against them. Make sense? What up, the Don? How you doing? The importance of a morning routine is everything, man. Before you really make big decisions, you really want to get yourself right, get yourself grounded. It's like before you drive your car in the morning, you want to warm it up, right? Like you don't want to just, your car's been sitting all night. Imagine just, I mean, a lot of you guys do this, but it's not really that good for the car, especially if you guys have, excuse me, like sport cars, race cars, or you wouldn't just turn the car on and then just go, right? So same thing with us. A lot of us wake up out of bed, and now you guys just woke up literally like 25 seconds ago, and you're already on the live stream. You're like, you're like got no like saliva in your mouth. You can't even see the chart. You're looking for your glasses, and now I'm like, yeah, I'm getting in this buy, and you're like, you know, like that is just not the way to begin a day, right? So I think the morning is sacred time. Even Jesus woke up very early in the morning. He would go and spend time by himself. That's my mentor, who I look at, and he would pray, you know, and he would give thanks, and that's what I do. I love starting my day with gratitude. I love starting my day in prayer, and just getting some studies done that I'm into, and warming up, right? Just like a car would warm up before it's going to take that ride. So I think there's so much importance in a morning routine. I couldn't see myself really not doing my morning routine. So location, like tomorrow I'll be in Miami, the next day I'll be nothing changes, right, outside of the location. So the routine for me never changes. Whether the locations change, there is no vacation, right? Life is vacation, right? So there's no difference between the weekend and the weekdays and the location. And if you can really get that committed and grounded on your morning routine, you will wake up on fire every single day, grateful and ready to go. Blessings come to those who are grateful. Am I looking for buys? I'm looking for buys above 24.16 here. Yeah, 24.16. That re-breaks the 4-hour highs, and that's where I'm looking to attack. Yeah, if the 1 hour can close above there, that would be fantastic here today. So looking for this 1 hour candle to close above, something like this, and then I'll be looking to take buys on the next candle, and won't really care if it goes up or down, just caring that setup came and I executed. Some of you guys actually care if you win or lose the next trade. Crazy. Let's see, what else here? What else? What do I take for pre-workout? I just take salt, like Redmond's real salt and honey, and sometimes I'll drink an excess, but not really. I mean, yeah, that's it. That's it. And then a will to win, a desire to say, I want to be in great shape in my 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. And today, although it may not seem like it will make a big difference, today makes a big difference. So I am pre-worked out in my own mind, never mind the body, right? So I want to go in there. I want to execute. I want to be swift and quick and efficient and get out of there. Yeah, I can't wait to have my own gym. I'm going to build out my own gym. I'm going to hire my own trainer, come train us at our own gym, the TTE gym. Some of you guys, when you come visit me in Tampa, we'll get workouts in and have some fun. What up, Felix? How to become more valuable than money? You already are. Money's dirty pieces of paper. You're much more valuable. You're God's highest form of creation. Money is created by man. You're created by God. You're already more valuable. Do I trade using Wix? Yes. Yep, Wix and body. Can I use the playbook for Euro USD? Yes, of course. Anything price action, candles. If you're trading candlesticks, then you can use this. Because our system is pretty much based off of how to read candles and candlestick trading. All right, let's see. The blood of a Quaker. I take a tablespoon of some nice honey, some local honey, and that's it. Hey, if you guys have allergies while you trade, I'm gonna give you a hack, a little biohack. If you order, let's say a week ahead of time, wherever you're going, let's just say you're going, I don't care, wherever it is, right? Wherever you're going, order or see if you can order some of their local honey, right? Order their local honey and start taking it before the trip. You will not have any allergies on that trip. Crazy. Let's see. My homie, what broker do I use? I use Tradeovate. They're a United States regulated futures broker. How do you position yourself to be in a room with 6- and 8-figure guys? You provide value. Number one, if you want to get around successful people, the best way to do that is to provide value for free. So if there's any things that I can do to help people, I do it, right? And that's my doorway in. A lot of you guys have done that with me, right? A lot of you guys have come in and provided value for me, and now you basically are being rewarded for that, right? Like there's certain people, a part of our team that, you know, run the back end of Time to Eat Trading that have just provided value for me, right? Have just sincerely, genuinely just said, hey, we want to do this for you. And over time, we've built a friendship, and now they're on board, a part of the team. So I think just providing value in your specific way gets you into those bigger doors. And here's the other one. You pay. You pay to play. You pay to play. So the best rooms I got in were typically because I paid a fee. Right? Hey, man, I was really hoping you could help me with my credit. Yeah, no problem, man. Sign up for my course. It's 3 Gs. I'll get you totally dialed in. Okay. I paid 3 Gs. They get my credit dialed in. and I get a new friend, a new network. So you got to pay, you know, when it comes to these high level individuals, a lot of times, like, you know, if you just pay the fee, you can be their friend. And that's how it goes out here in the world. I mean, you know, I'm going down and meeting up with a mentor of mine. I paid him a good amount of money to have some lunch in Miami, right? And we're gonna do it, and I'm excited about it, right? But I paid the fee to get to that lunch table with him and a few other high level, big 7-figure earners. So yeah, you got to pay the fee or provide some value. Which 4-hour candle do I use? I use the Oanda one. Yeah, typically I just base everything off Oanda, and then I just execute on like all the other charts. What's up, Kia? Awesome to have you here, man. Awesome to have you here. Glad you're enjoying your time. If I had all the ranges set, but I had idea about how to identify the trend and the 1 and 5 minute before the break of range, is that okay to make analysis on higher time frame? I'm not too sure I understand the question. If I have all the ranges set, but I had an idea on how to identify the trend, I'm not sure what you mean, Christian. Yeah, I'm not too sure, brother. If you can reword it, I think that might help. I provide value by liking the stream. Hey, W. Hey, give the stream a like here today, chat, if you haven't liked the stream yet. Okay, so I feel like I miss out on participating in between support and resistance. Even if I predicted that direction, I just keep waiting. That's okay, you know. Sometimes like these ranges are choppy, right? So I don't really want to be, so I see the range here, right? But I don't really want to be involved in it. Like this sell didn't interest me at one bit. This buy on the break of the high doesn't interest me one bit, because I know that we can most likely just mess around in here, right, until one thing happens or another, meaning like a breakout or just like an explosive move out. So some ranges are going to be tradable, some aren't. The one that we're in currently, I do not like, right? That one I don't really like that much. But let's say we're in a range like let's try and find a tradable range here. Yeah, I'm trying, like, let's say we're in like a range like this. So we're in this range now, and I'm not too sure how many pips this is, but like this is a decent tradable range, especially over here, because now you got clean range, clean traffic that you can start. So if we push down here and I'm like, all right, support, resistance right here, I'm open to taking that trade, right, and to retesting that high. But when price is super choppy, like you see it here, I'm really not open to any of that in here. So just keep in mind like what the range looks like, how many pips it is, and if it's tradable, right? Just determine whether or not it's a tradable range, and if it is, then go ahead and look for some opportunities. If it isn't, then, you know, just wait for the breakout. How do you know when to execute on the 15? So a little bit of experience, and then just volume times, right? High volume times. If I'm thinking, hey, 9:30, this candle at 9:30 is going to be amazing, it's probably going to drive down like this, and I get a 15 closure below, I know that that's probably my only shot at getting into this candle, right? Because if I wait for the 30 to close, this thing's going to be gone. So if the 15 gives me something I'm looking for, that's when I'm going to execute there, anticipating that these two candles here will make up that one 30-minute candle in which I want to be in. But I don't want to wait for this candle to close, because at 9:30 or high times of volume, London open, New York open, it will most likely fill the range in one candle, but it will give you it'll give you two 15-minute candles, and that's your opportunity to kind of squeeze your way into that 30-minute candle and get into that trade. I'm more confident entering on the 30-minute. Yes, me too. Me too. Why is gold so choppy? I don't know. Not too sure. Sometimes the market does things that we don't know the answers to. Looks very easy for you to level your ranges. I tried my ranges, but not as you. Well, I've been doing it for 5 years. You know, I've legitimately been doing this for 4 years every single morning. So it makes sense why it may seem easy, but that easy is backed by 4 years, right? So do you have 4 years backed, right? Of literally doing this, not, you know, jumping from this system and then, you know, taking a break for 6 months and moving on to another system and coming back to this one and then, you know, going back to work and putting trading on pause for a few months. None of that. Every single day for 4 years, right? So do you have that? And if you don't, it would be unfair and unwise on your end to compare yourself to me, right? To compare your ability to my ability to go ahead and just boom, 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 throw this together. So it takes time. You know, it takes time, my man, but time is our edge, right? So if you can promise to yourself and commit to consistency, then over time you'll be able to throw things together in that manner as well. And that doesn't mean that you're going to be a you know, trader that wins all your trades. I'm certainly not that, but I am getting a lot better at reading price over the last couple of years. I mean, compared to how there was one point where I didn't know what a pip was. I didn't know what a bullish or bearish thing was. I kept confusing it. So, you know, I was there at one point. Everyone's favorite candle. There he is. 30-minute candle in the house. Let's go, Captain. Big W, man. Big W. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah, it took 4 years. It took 10 years, 11 years to become an overnight success in a way. Brick by brick, baby. Good morning, Carlos. What's good? What's good? Let's see here. What was one of your character flaws that you had to redevelop to help you become a successful entrepreneur? It could be trading, could be non-trading. That's a great question. I think a little bit of procrastination held me back for a while. Knowing what to do and not really doing it, or knowing what to do and not doing it to my best ability. Maybe that had to do with maybe my own self-image, my own self-worth at times, you know, and I think just action cures almost everything. So I think the more action we take, the more we can cure pretty much any one of those character flaws. But I think mine was I'm ambitiously lazy, right? So I don't want to do more than I have to do. In a way, right? I think that's why part of the reason why I'm a good entrepreneur as well. Like, so it can hurt you or it can help you. So at one point it was hurting me when I was like kind of learning the game, and I realized that, hey, I am my own boss, man. Like if I don't do it, no one's gonna do that. No one's gonna tell me to do it. So I think integrity started as I started getting better and leaving the flaw. I think integrity came in, and understanding that, hey, like, you know, success is going to reward me for the efforts, right? It doesn't matter if my mentor knows. I could tell my mentor I read last night, even though I didn't, and the only person that hurts is me. So I think at a certain point, I just started really taking like integrity serious and doing the right thing no matter what, no matter who was watching, because I think it's easiest to drop the ball when no one's watching, right? You know, if I say, hey, you're going to read every night, right? 20 minutes before bed every night, and you go, yeah, I'm going to do that, right? And you commit, but you don't do it. Well, you can tell me you did it, but you really didn't, and that's really only hurting you, right? So me telling myself I was going to do things and not doing them just got old, to be honest, especially when I seen some of my running buddies, starting to gain some distance on me in the business I was building, and that fired me up, and that got me to the point where I said, hey, I'm not going to do things because anyone's watching. I'm going to do things because they're the right things to do, and they're going to lead me to my, my success. So yeah, I think that was it. It was really just procrastinating, thinking I could just pull it together, wing it, and kind of just, as long as I flow with it, it'll come to me, right? But there's a lot of work that has to be done, and you got to be diligent in it. And no one's gonna, as an entrepreneur, no one's gonna come say, hey, it's time to get up. Like nobody woke me up today. No, there's no one I need to report to, but my own dreams and goals. So just really putting those on a pedestal and making that tweak in my procrastination, I would say. Yeah, you're welcome. Good question. Good question. Where's Scott? I'm not sure. Maybe he's here. Maybe he's in disguise here. Where can I learn all this from scratch? All of what? How did I handle my first loss? I probably just like, damn, that sucked. And then just moved on from it. Yeah, lazy. I'm like ambitiously lazy, right? It's kind of an entrepreneur thing, but you gotta learn how to harness it. Otherwise, it can hurt you. That's what I'm saying, Mr. BTC, man. A lazy, ambitious person. I'd rather hire lazy, ambitious people to work for me, right? Because they'll get it done the easiest way. I'd rather let them figure it out in their flip-flops, not give them any dress code, and let them just do their thing, right? They'll figure it out, and they'll probably get it done very efficiently. Yo, what up? Good morning, everyone. Damn. Everyone pulling up in Zoom, all the elites. That's an elite looking squad right there, I'll tell you that. Sheesh. Yeah, other than that, I would probably just say self-belief, like self-image. One of the big things I worked on early on was my self-image, because, you really need to understand your worth, but if you're going to get something done, like if you just like make promises to yourself and don't do them, like that severely damages your self-image, whether you know it or not. So I think my self-image needed, I was never told, man, you're awesome. Right, my dad was, my dad was great, right? He helped me out. He kind of coached me through baseball, like was a part of all that, but he was never there to give me like that real advice, right? And tell me I was awesome. Not that I needed to hear that, but it's good, when someone else believes in you, because pretty much what I did was I didn't really believe in myself in the beginning, but I believed in my mentor, and I believed that he believed in me. And I believe that enough that it actually got me going, right? So that's why, I see people, and when I believe in them, I tell them, man, I believe in you. You can really do this, because that made a big difference for me, knowing that someone I looked up to believed that I can do it. And, at a point believed I can do it more than I believed I could do it, right? So it's always good to have a mentor and someone to help you out along the way, and, guide you and help boost that self-image for you. Is it okay to make an analysis on the higher time frame and look for entry on the lower time frame? I had an idea on how to identify the trends 1 minute, 5 minute before. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, absolutely. That's what I do. I typically look at the higher time frame to do an analysis, and then look at the lower time frame to execute. Don't really know anything? Well, this is a good place to come then. The live streams are dope, because it's not really a course, but it's just, you take a course to see, because you want to know how someone trades, right? So what better course than to actually watch them trade, and that's what we have here. So I think this will help you out probably more than any course could. The only thing with this is it takes time. So you can't, well, you can watch many days, right, on the replay, but yeah, it takes time because it's day by day. Sleep stops during London, yeah. If forex finishes today, what will you do? I will coach people on how to be the best they could be in whatever environment is provided for us. Okay, so we're leading into NY Open here. So we don't have a closure. Almost looked like we were going to close above here, right? But ended up actually closing not even bullish, but bearish. So nothing here for me just yet. 1 hour closing like this, 30-minute closing like that. Yeah, we're still in the range. I think a 15, 30-minute closure gets us out of the range, and then we can start looking for trades. But right now, just nothing. Nothing. Talk about the competition. Yeah, the competition's down to final 4, I believe, here. So we got some household names in here. You guys have been trading really well. So basically we started with 800 people on the open tryout, and we got down to the top 32, right? So once we got the competition started with the 32, I mean, it was just yeah, it was not good, right? So the first like 16 eliminations, traders just basically just breached their accounts, right, on the first day. I mean, it was just pretty stupid, right? So a lot of traders just kind of breached it, and I don't know, just blew the accounts. But ever since like that, everyone's been trading really good. So everyone's been trading pretty professional. The standings are pretty tight in terms of like first, second, third, fourth place. So it's heating up now. It's heating up. I'm gonna get a standing here or a leaderboard. I guess maybe today we can get it. Bryson's up in the mountains here, somewhere randomly in the USA, but I think he's got someone else taking care of that for him today. How did I overcome patience? I did, and I just looked at it and I said, well, what makes me more money, when I'm patient or when I'm not patient? And then I just easily seen that when I was patient, it made much more money. And then I made much more money, so I just said, all right, let me be patient. Every time I'm impatient, I actually lose money. So let me not do that, and let me do what makes money. Hey, I'm 18. I want to get into this, or I've been watching videos since yesterday and started to get into it a little. Is it okay to start with my parents' permission? You tell me, brother. You tell me. I mean, I've never really, after 18, I really never asked my parents for permission on anything. I just did what I felt my heart was called to do, and yeah, that was it. I would just, if you like it and you want to start learning about it, I would just learn. You know, you don't have to tell anyone you're gonna make money or do day trading or anything like that. Just keep it a secret, keep it low key. Just hang out, learn, grow, and then, you know, maybe down the road you start making some money, and then that's when you can maybe tell people that you day trade. But nobody knows nothing, right? Nobody needs to know a thing. Yep, that's true, Norbin. No one's gonna care about it. No one's coming to save you. No one's coming to, you know, God will put people into your life as connections to help you, to connect you, you know, from one, maybe like a bridge or a city on a hill, right, to help you out. But at the end of the day, I mean, we gotta do, you know, we gotta do, right? The only thing we have to do is to do. Can you explain my L trade? Yeah, the L trade was taken. Man, that was so close to just being a W trade. Where was that? That was. Where was that, chat? This one? Nah, what am I doing? Back here. That was right here. So took a buy. So my position looks something like this, right? Took a buy. Stops are kept like somewhere right here. And then TP was, I think, up here, right? And then that was the loss. I got stopped out by like 2 or 3 pips, and then price just juiced up. So it was still a good trade. I was still very happy with that trade. I didn't want to use this as my stop because it was 120 pips. Maybe I could have kept it maybe a little lower, but yeah, I got stopped out by like a pip or 2, maybe 3 pips, and then price moved up. So that was the one loss this month. Yeah. Yep, no worries. No worries. It happens. It's part of the game. Okay, bro, I've been trading for a while now, consistently seeing winning trades. I think I'm at the break-even stage, but I lose money on B+ setups. How do you suggest I get out of that stage? So don't take the B+ setups. If you're losing most of the money, don't take those, right? That's one way, because now what you do is you cut out those losses, right? So let's say you have, you know, some wins, right? And you got, let's say, I don't know, +1, +3, right? +1, right? But then all of a sudden you take those B setups and it's like -3, right? -1, -1, +1, right? So if you can cut these out of your P&L, a lot of times that's the difference between you being break even and you being profitable for the month. And then you have to earn that every month, right? There's no such thing as a profitable trader. There's such thing as a profitable trader, but it doesn't mean that fairy dust comes down and gets sprinkled on the head of a trader and then forever they're profitable, right? This is earned every day, every week, every month. So yeah, if you can try and maybe get rid of some of those unnecessary trades, then you can go ahead and cut that out, and then now these winners will stand up even stage for that month, right? And then you got to continue to apply these disciplines every single day, month after month after month after month after month. What has been your most profitable investment to date? Myself, 100%. The investment in me to separate myself, to read those books, to sit at the feet of champions, right? To dedicate time and weekends and everything into getting around and networking and being around my mentor anytime I could. Even if it cost me sleep that night, I was there. So I think the best investment I ever made was just in me. It continues to be the best ROI. How long have I been trading? And did I forward test? Yeah, I still forward test to this day. So I'm forward testing right now while I'm talking to you guys. But I've been trading for about 5 years. What up, Edson? Good morning, man. Amen, Emily. Amen. We're happy to have you here. The Lord has a plan for you, and that doesn't surprise me. I think I've seen hundreds of people kind of say the same exact thing now, and it's not because I'm good, it's because God is good. So welcome aboard. We're happy to have you a part of the family. And yeah, if you have questions, just let us know. There's a lot of free content on the YouTube. You can learn a lot just by being here every single day. If you show up every day, I'm very confident that not only will you become a better trader and have a better understanding, but I think just overall your mindset will improve. And wherever it is now, I think it can always become better, including myself. And yeah, I think this is a great environment to be in for that to happen. What's up, Donald? What up, Lights Fire? Willie in the house. What's good? What's good? Yeah, man. Yep. Ask and it shall be given. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door shall be open. Amazing, brother. I'm doing amazing, Lights Fire. I really am. Hey, gang, tomorrow there's no live stream. So tomorrow we got no live stream. I'm going to try and maybe stream a little on Zoom, but no live stream for YouTube tomorrow and Thursday. So Friday I'll be back. Yeah, I don't think we've taken a day off here in a long time. But yeah, I gotta do some things. I gotta get in some 8-figure rooms this week. This week, so I want to put us in the best position to win at all costs. So yeah, it's all TTE stuff. Nah, I haven't. I actually haven't. Maybe I'll do that. Record a new video when it comes to that stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna miss you guys. Yeah, for 2 days. 2 days. Yep, 2 days. I was gonna when I was planning my trip, I was thinking about staying Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I'm like, nah, I can't. I need to be back on the stream on Friday. I can't just leave you guys on a Tuesday and then not come back for till Monday. I mean, that would, for me, right? Not even for you guys. That would be whack. How many accounts blown tomorrow? I thought you were asking me how many accounts I've blown. I was gonna tell you like 30. TV, yeah, plus university, it's coming very soon. September seems to be the go date. So yeah, it's coming soon. We're dialing it in. We're working on some things. We're making some big moves, man, for the community. You like my outfit? Oh, nice. Yeah, just a t-shirt. I'm on my 10th blown account. All right, man. All right. Ecom Drake. You gotta pump those numbers up, man. Those are rookie numbers. Oh man, it's my pleasure, bro. My pleasure. Kanishka? Yeah, it's my pleasure. It's an honor to be here amongst you guys, man. It really is. Yeah, we're gonna need a closure. Yep. Someone asked, do we need a closure? 07 needs to be closed. Yeah, it needs to close first. But we want to be careful here, right? Because this could just be the 4-hour low. But I think if we do get closures, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. 4-hour broke the high. I don't see why we're coming back down now to break these lows and then close below if we actually want to move up. So yeah, this is pretty big 16 minutes coming up here. Yeah, that does. Yeah, Dominic. So we're gonna have TTE running on our TTE TV running on our own platform with no censorship. We could speak freely. It's almost gonna be like a 24-hour running stream, to where you can just literally like get up and, you know, normally if you'd wait for like the New York session to come, you know, hang out on stream, pretty much at this point moving forward, you're gonna be able to jump on stream anytime. So maybe I'll be there, maybe John will be there, maybe some other guys will be there that I'll introduce you to that are all TTE traders, elite members, but just hanging out, you know, shooting the breeze and taking some trade, just like we're doing right now. just hanging out, chilling out, observing the market, looking to take some trades when playbook setups show up. And yeah, it's gonna take our community to the next level, man. I'm excited about it. Would you change the range to bias since it looks like the highs? Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I am thinking about it. If I'm gonna do that, Rob, I think we need to see this 30 closure. So if the 15 right now closes below, I'm not gonna execute on that, which there's 8 seconds, so it doesn't look like it will. But yeah, maybe if the 30 closes, I think we're good. We re-break that low again. But anything could happen here now. Anything could happen. So we're not. Right now, you see how we're threatening the top side, we're threatening the downside, and we're not able to do it. So once you do get a breakout, you should see a push. Yo, it's gonna be so dope. I'm so hyped for that. Yeah, you guys wanted you guys always ask for 24-hour streams. You guys always ask for webinars. So now we're gonna have TTE TV/TTE University, and it's gonna be the best of both worlds, man. There's gonna be like legit 1 to 2 webinars a week. We're gonna be doing like trade reviews, so anyone who's a part of that will kind of be able to share their trades for the week, and we can go over them amongst each other as a group. And I'm gonna probably try and pull, like, some days it'll just be my review, some day it'll be like I'll pick 3 other traders to review their trades and get them up, and it's going to be very educational. We want to create the most top-notch educational platform out there where we keep it real and show you like what the expectations are, show you what real trading is about, so that way you can go about it in a fashionably manner and understand what game you're getting yourself into. We try to do that here on the live stream as much as we can. I think it helps, but yeah, we're gonna go to a whole nother level now. Lots of webinars. How often to withdraw from prop firms? Every chance you can. Literally, if it's there, take it. See Melly in the house. Wiz Buddha. We're playing some golf tomorrow. Let's get it. I got a nice challenge now up against C Melly here tomorrow, chat. I might come back with a different story. I don't know. It might not be like playing Joe. Market fluidity. What do we think about Henko and Sway? I've never used them. I remember Sam was using Henko for a little bit. I think, I'm pretty sure he said he had like some sort of an issue with them. Yeah, I would recommend either like Dominion Markets or some sort of like US, it depends on where you live. I would either recommend Dominion Markets or some sort of like a US regulated broker, futures broker if possible. Yeah, so some people really like Henko. I just know Sam had something going on. I forget what it was. I think it was Henko, but yeah, I'm not too sure. I've never used them, so I can't actually speak on them. You got me a fire lefty set? Bet. All right, let's go. See Melly W. Got my money on C Melly? All right, bet. See, that's all that's all right. Sounds good. Nobody I still remember the first time I hopped on the stream. Nick had a 6.4K payout. Oh damn. AB Mike. AB Mike. I took this sell, gonna close half. Nice, nice, nice. What up? F forex? Yeah. How do you even say your name? F forex F94. There we go. IC Markets is good. Yeah, there's a bunch of good brokers. Hugo's Way. Damn. Man threw it back. Threw it back to Hugo's Way. Sheesh. Hugo's Way was the first broker I ever used in my entire life. Hugo's Way, man. They were actually pretty good. I only had one problem with them towards the end, and it wasn't really even on them. I think I lost my phone or something in my two-step authentication code. How many of you guys have dealt with that? Oh my god, that's a nightmare. And I had like maybe like $7,000 or something stuck in Hugo's Way for like a couple months. Yeah, so they needed me to take pictures and, you know, draw on a sign and say this is me and this is the date and blah 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 blah. Oh my god, it was so annoying. Pushing here, pushing. Miami client. I was in the top 16 in the competition. Is there any way I can get a 10K or a 25K? Was that the rules? Did we say top 16 get a prize? I forget. I think it was the top 4, right? Yeah, I don't think it was the top 16. Yo, what up, Melvin? Good morning, good morning. How you doing? No, yeah, I think it was the top 4, if I'm not mistaken. It was top 3, yeah, top 3. No, it was top 4. 200K, 100K, and 2 25Ks. Yep. Yeah, look, challenge 2.0. I think we'll do that. We'll call them 2.0, 3.0, 4.0. Challenge 2.0 is going to start next week on the 12th, and that one is a cash prize. So that one, depending on how many people actually sign up for this, could be anywhere from like, you know, 7, 8, 9, even like 10 grand. So there's a big cash prize coming up on the next one. It's not just going to be an account, but it's going to be actual physical capital that you can use to either start your own account or pay your bills or really whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, if we get the same turnout or a bigger turnout, it's going to be, you're going to have like some sort of like, you know, $5,000 to $10,000 prize on the line. That was in the top 6,000. What's up, Green? What's up, Green? How are you? Green, how are you? BTC will go down. I'm hype. I'm hype if we can continue going down here on Bitcoin. Got it, baby. We got it. We got 51, chat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now we could just go. Now we could just go up. If we want to come down, next deployment for me is probably somewhere around 41. Yeah, I treat it just like I treat trading, but I also do get some better information on this stuff. So the range, I use the ranges, but I use other people because I pay the fee and they give me advice on crypto. I have no idea what I'm doing on crypto. I just know I'm talking to the right people. I'm buying. Oh, nice. Take a buy, take a buy. Yo, 10K? That'd be... I really wanted 10K. I wanted 10K, but we never got there. Yeah. We settled for, what was it again? Yeah, I settled for 26 here. Yeah, I was ready when we were coming down. I really wanted to see us get back in this range here, but we never did. So we never came back down through below here. But I was about to dump my whole life savings into this right here. Like, I was about to dump everything we got and just tell my wife we were just gonna, you know, I don't know, go get a hut on the beach and just fish for our food moving forward. I'm gonna miss the gold sell. That's all right. We'll get more gold sells later. Yeah, I got 5 minutes for the 30 closure here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens, man. 10K is a steep drop. I'll tell you that. Steep drop. All right, back to Goldie here. What up, Sam, man? Good morning, bro. Can you just type BTC on TradingView instead of changing watch list? How come, man? What's the big deal? What if I wanted to go take a look at some other cryptos that are in the watch list? Yeah, I got nothing at this point. I just got hopes and dreams in Bitcoin. No cap, I would have put my whole house on it. Yeah. Put the whole joint. Bring out the whole ocean. Yeah, the lower we go, the better. The lower we go, the better. I'll be patiently waiting to deploy my army. Yesterday's stream ended on 4 wins. Today it started on 5 wins. Yeah, it's because I took a trade in Asian session. Let's take a look at it. Just an absolute beauty. Here it is. Nice fade position. Look at this thing. Just perfect. Candle started pushing up. Came into resistance. Weak bullish closure. Neither of them breaking highs. Price pushes up. Has a low right here. Execution on 100. Boom at the break of the low. Partials coming down. And then this trade, I closed a full trade somewhere down here. Yeah, it was a good trade. A few other guys got this and girls got this. You didn't just think I put a 5 there, right? Just to, or whatever it is, to add a win. You don't really think I would do something like that, do you? Why does the chat on the live stream look different today? I don't know. I haven't looked at the YouTube. You don't think I just lie to myself, right? For people, my friends on the internet, would you? Good day, coach. Yo, yo. What's good? What's good? What's setup? I don't know. Nothing right now. There is no setup. I was looking for a potential closure below here, but we're just melting. We're just melting. $70 trades. Adding W's. Nobody knows nothing. Come on, that would be so obvious. Hey, it was 4 yesterday, 5 today, bro. What's going on here? That's why I always add my trades to the Discord. Always. Oh, Johnny Gems is here? Oh, okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. We got a blader. Good morning, John.
Yo, yo.
Good day, brother.
Good morning, my man. How you doing today, bro?
Fantastic, brother.
Love it. Love it.
Yes, brother. How are you? How are you doing today?
Bro, we're doing great, man. Incredibly blessed to have and grateful for another day.
Awesome.
Let's run it, man. Let's do it.
I dig it.
Sir.
I dig it, brother. Let's go.
Brother. Good morning, my 8-figure traders in the chat. What's popping, yo?
Oh. That's not my internet, is it? Hold on.
Good morning, Z Gamer. Good morning, C Melly, AB Mike. What's popping, boys? Another day to be disciplined, another day to be patient. So our plan, chat. Let's do it. Let's focus on building good habits today, and the money will come naturally.
Headphones quick.
What's up, Green? What's good, bro?
Green.
What's up, Zyper? Dropout Trader. Good morning. Old bleeder here today.
So the trades aren't only from the live stream? No. I would say probably 80-20. 80% are from the live stream because most of my trades I take during our session here, but I would say maybe 15-20% are taken off the live stream. It wasn't until like recently too that I really started pulling the trigger in the afternoon a little bit.
Yeah, that's true. And in Asian.
Yeah, up until I would say maybe 4 months ago, I would say 98% of trades on the record were taken on stream. And now I'd probably say like, you know, it would probably be like 80-20-ish.
Facts, bro. You've been taking like 2 to 3 trades a day.
Yeah, yesterday, including, well, the two we took on stream were both amazing trades, and then I took another. So yesterday I took 3 trades. This was the one I took off stream yesterday. With the
Nice.
proof,
Yeah,
with the proof, with the
really good.
proof. All right, with the proof.
Need
yeah.
the proof out here, bro.
So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 yesterday.
Nice.
With the poof, with the poof. All right, perfect. So target's been tapped here. So couldn't really take advantage of these sells. We needed some closures. 15 closed week back in the range. There was nothing there for us. Yeah, 8:15 just started driving down here, and now there's really not too much room left to trade here. So we'll see what happens at 98 and then take it from there. 4 hour pushing down. We still haven't really broke the lows there, but we are pushing down pretty nicely.
Daily too, pushing down nice.
Yeah, daily pushing down.
Sitting on our hands.
That's it. You got some righty clubs? Oh, that's right. TK needs some clubs too. Oh. That's true. That's true. TK, I can't wait to see TK said he's really good at driving when it comes to golf. And then he followed up with the golf cart. I was like, "Oh, damn."
Damn. What's good, TK?
Take the sell. Oh yeah,
That's actually
awesome.
pretty funny.
Let's all take sells at support. Come on, we don't want to do that. We just want to wait for the next best setup. Just pretend we just got here. Pretend you've been waiting for an hour.
Yeah, we're bro. I'm looking for one good trade, and then one good trade, and then one good trade. Gotta keep it
Yo.
real.
PM Magnifico, thanks for the dono, man. Appreciate that.
Got PM Magnifico. It's good, bro.
I'm the best driver, man. I was like, wow, I didn't know he plays golf. Then he writes like, you know when you can see the little 3 dots on the text message.
Yep.
He comes in, says the golf cart.
CK, you're funny, man.
He's that guy.
So you're dipping after stream tomorrow, right?
Nah, no stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow, or actually, what time's my flight? We may be able to get a pre-New York stream in. So maybe we close it. We could shut it down at NY Open. Maybe I can come on a little earlier, so we can catch like. Maybe I'll come on like an hour earlier tomorrow. Let me check. Let me see when I have to dip. I don't even know when the flight is. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So I fly out at 10. So yeah, I think so. We might be able to start a stream around like maybe like pre-New York, like 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Eastern maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Oh baby, we got a blade. Yeah, we'll see. But Thursday, definitely no live stream. I'm gonna be in Miami for the next 2 days, so I'm gonna be joined by TK. We'll put a little vlog together, a little video together of the travels. Do some lives? Yeah, maybe we'll do some lives, some Discord lives or Instagram lives. Scam us today for 60 pips. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying to get you guys scammed up for 60 pips, get you paid and get you out of here. That's my job here today.
Thanks. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, so this is a perfect example of really not chasing volume, right? So we're always chasing our system, our playbook, right? So although you have a lot of volume here, it would be nice to be in sales, right? Yes, of course, you'd make money here, but you know, this doesn't line up with the playbook, right? There was no actual setup to take. So a lot of traders will chase this volume down, but they won't focus on chasing the setup. That volume will lie to you on most days, right? So you don't want to just jump at volume or be upset. You know, a lot of you guys have been disciplined for the last couple weeks and you're a little upset that you missed this. For what? For what? You know, there wasn't any sort of opportunities for us to enter. There was no doorway in. You know, if it doesn't fit your plan, it doesn't fit your plan. You let it go and you wait for things to line up that fit the plan. If it fits your plan, then you should be in this. But if it doesn't, there's it's no big deal, right? I heard there's more trades coming. Yeah, I heard over the next day or 2 or 3, there's gonna be lots more trades coming. So yeah, be picky. If it doesn't fit the script, don't jump at it.
Yes, sir. Gotta follow our plan, gotta go off our data. Our data tells us that, you know, 7 out of 10 times when we're at support, we're gonna reject, right? We're not just gonna drive right through it, right? So the markets are always right. It's us, the trader, who is sometimes right, sometimes wrong. So therefore we have the greater responsibility of coming to the markets with a plan, right? And following that plan. We have a great responsibility.
That's the gig. That's the job.
There.
What about the kids? Are they coming to Miami? Nah, just me. Solo run. The resistance.
Solo run.
Yeah, I was paying attention. So the trade I took in Asian, so that resistance, I was paying attention to that level there. Because remember yesterday when we took our buys down here, we were planning on, you know, this kind of being like the top, right? Like 24.09, 24.16. So as long as we remained below there, which on the 4 hours also like these support levels, these wicks here, as long as we were remaining below there, I was open to taking sells. So we pushed up there, we stayed below, we came back down, and then later on we came back up. Or where was it? Wait, where'd it go? 4 hour. Yeah, where was it? This one here, right? Yeah, and then we came back up, and then boom, just drove down. So really just paying attention to the levels over here in these ranges and saying, hey, as long as we're remaining below there, structure should continue, you know, downward. So that was pretty much it. Wanted to sell gold, but didn't. That's fine. That's fine. No worries. If you guys aren't in this, sell. It's not a big deal. Good morning, Pablo. How long is the flight to Miami? It's literally like less than an hour. I'm flying from Tampa to Miami. Yeah, it's like 50 something minutes. Why no buys down here? There could be buys down here. I don't think they're ready yet though. We got 845 coming in hot, so this is where the 4 hour could begin to pull back. So we'll see how things look. You know, but it looks like the 15 is going to close now below the range here. So that means that we could still push down into like 86 here. So we don't want to be too early on these buys to where we get stopped out for gold to push down that second little push. So we'll see what happens. Why not trade GJ anymore? I mean, that's probably, I think we haven't traded GJ in like 5 months now. So it's been a while. We just naturally started moving away from it. Flight must have been cheap. It was. It was definitely the cheapest flight I ever got was for me and my wife, and it was like $18 total for both of us to fly from Miami to New York. Crazy. It was like $18 total. That was right when Kobe came in. I mean, COVID came in. Yeah, man, no one wanted to fly. Should have seen the people in the airport. They were looking like dudes from the Ninja Turtles. I mean,
they're like, you're tripping, bro.
Yo, not the Ninja Turtles. I think it was the Power Ranger movie or something, man. They were looking creepy. Creepy. They were making me feel sick.
Yeah.
I'm like, what's going on right now, man? What is there, like a bug outbreak?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. During COVID time, get those cheap flights.
Dude said wear a mask and gloves when you go on the plane. Like, all right, man, will do.
It's like, what happened to freedom of
What happened
rights?
last week when no one was wearing masks and gloves on the plane? What happened there?
Yeah, right.
The best was, okay, please leave your mask on until we get to your dining table here. Once you get there, you may take that mask off. You see,
those are sad days.
Yo, please, I don't mean to laugh. You see dudes eating, they would cut holes in the mask and eat. That was just, I mean, wow. I think when we look back at those pictures in like 15 years, it's going to look so crazy. Like when our kids get to the point where it's like, hey, look, this happened in 2020. Look at what people were doing. They're going to be like, whoa, that's insane.
Easy.
So are you vaccinated? Hey, who are you to know my health conditions, man?
The school systems were even worse, bro. They were having every kid wear a mandatory mask, and they were handing out free tab water.
That's crazy.
So, double whammy.
Wham, wham. I love the people. I love the people who have the American flag mask. I mean, come on, brother. Come on. Really? I love the people who have the freedom mask. Hey, it doesn't get more bot behavior than that, man.
Yeah, for real. Crazy times for sure.
Joe fuck.
Sure.
No, I didn't fly during COVID. I flied right at COVID. Yeah, that was. I think that was before they came up with the #1 vaccination to cure the most deadliest. Yeah, they were still working on that. They were about 2 weeks into it, but on the third week,
Yeah.
it was ready to go. The best vaccine for the most deadliest virus in the world. It was made in about 3 weeks, and luckily I was on the plane before that 3 weeks, and I was able to get me over to New York. Yeah, I don't believe in
But
that
they
stuff.
don't have a cure for cancer.
I believe
Crazy.
that yeah. Yeah, we've already been built. Our body's its own hospital. Right? God didn't make any mistakes.
Hell no.
Yeah. What was the deal with the toilet paper shortage, bro?
That was probably the government just being more messed up.
Hey, I think that had a lot to do with the Ben and Jerry's that always ran out like every single day during COVID. For some reason, the Ben and Jerry's just kept running off the shelves, and the toilet paper kept running off the shelves. Pretty interesting how that works, huh?
Bro, that's facts, bro.
No Ben and Jerry ice cream, no toilet paper. Something's up here.
That's funny.
What was wrong with the previous 30 closure? We were right at support here. Yeah, no bottom wick, no top wick on this one. I'm worthless? Me too, man. We're just dirt. We're just dirt. We come from dirt, we'll return to dirt.
Sir, bro. Yes, sir.
None of this will matter. In gold sells from last Friday, W, bro. W. Yo, Ben and Jerry's, man. I think their business probably quadrupled during the pandemic.
Hell yeah, dude. I think so, for sure.
People were going crazy. Where's the milk and cookies? Like, yo, relax, buddy. Relax. Is it bad to vape before breakfast? I don't know. What is bad? What is good? What is good? What is bad? What are the definition of these words? Breakfast before vape? Vape before breakfast? I don't know. I don't know.
Sure, it's not the best to vape. But hey, bro, do you?
But do you want the best? That's the question. Yeah, we'll see if we get So we're gonna see how price reacts now to these ranges here. So this is your 1 hour support here. This is gonna be your 30-minute support level. This is gonna be that 15-minute support level. So if we close back in the range, most likely you're gonna see a fake out here, and then price start to continue up as this candle needs to pull back and then make a new top wick for the new candle. There's no good or bad. There just is. That's right. Right? Because one person may say, hey, day trading's bad. One person may say day trading's good. Right? There is no good or bad.
Yep.
15 bullish closure back in the range. Yes, I agree. I agree, Legrand. I agree. Opinion on tattoos? I think some of them look nice. I think some of them don't, but what is nice? What is not nice? Something not nice to me could be something nice to you, so it really don't matter.
So facts.
I will go get robbed at a gas station now. Damn. Be careful. Do we share signals?
Dustin.
We don't really share signals, but we break down exactly what we're looking at. We break down all the trades that we take live trades here when our setup shows up. So we do a lot of teaching, a lot of building up to the trade, so you can see how it comes together. And then we'll take our trades right in front of right on the stream here. So yeah, I guess you could say we call out signals, but we do a lot of teaching behind it. So it's not just like hey guys, you know, NASDAQ looks good, sell it now, and then I'll just go back to gold and hang out here. Like most likely you're gonna just see me take my trades, and that's pretty much the signal, so to speak. Trading is good when I win and bad when I lose. Or is it? Maybe you got too much money. maybe you need to let some go. Maybe someone else. Maybe someone on the other side of the trade needs that money more than you. So is it good? Is it bad? I don't know.
Yep.
Like for me, when we did the webinar, we had like 4 or 5 people send payment to a PayPal address, right? That happened to be the wrong PayPal address, but it was someone's PayPal address. But by mistake, we typed the wrong letter in there, and they sent it to theirs. So that person received 70 about 5 times. So was that good or bad? Right? It was supposed to go to my wife's email, which is Lopez with a Z, and it went to Lopez with an S. Is it good or bad? It's good. It's good for the other person, right? Because we thought, well, you know what? Maybe they were praying for some money, right? Maybe they were down in the dumps. Maybe they were, I don't know, struggling to pay a bill or struggling to, you know, do something for their children, and they were praying for, you know, $250, and then boom. So maybe that was really a good thing. All right, and maybe it increased their belief in the Lord, because yeah,
facts.
Right, we didn't ask for it back. We don't want it back. All right, we don't want that money back. We want that to go to wherever that money went.
Yep. And that was maybe just God's plan.
It was. It wasn't maybe. It was. Otherwise, it would have went to us.
Yep.
You know what I love about my wife too? She said, it's all good. Maybe that lady needed it much more than we do, and you know that's a W. But next time it's with a Z, man. No,
Don't get it twisted.
next time, just make sure you hit the Z at the end, not the S. Make sure it's the Z. Actually, we might as well send that lady all the money that comes in. Yeah, send it all.
Yeah, let's do it.
It wasn't meant to be ours. It wasn't. It was meant to go straight to who it went to. Yeah, 4-hour lows just snapped here, so.
Yeah, they got slapped. Yeah, Ecom Dre, I'll take a Slurpee, bro. Thanks, man.
Slurpee? Where you going, 7-Eleven?
Yeah, bro. And maybe some $1 cookies. Take those too.
And then maybe some $1 donuts. Can't beat $1 glazed donuts. I stay away from 7-Eleven, man.
You got it, bro. It's crazy.
All right, man. NYSE are looking like the play here today. So we haven't really done much. 15 minutes still down here. 7 minutes left on it. Yeah, just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. We talked about price potentially pushing down towards this next range here before the fade comes in. So we'll see. Pay attention to that zone. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Oh. Patience, y'all. We get paid to wait. Yeah, everyone let Ecom Dre what you know what you guys want from 7-Eleven. W wife, yeah, facts. That is a W wife. I think a W wife is one who is committed, loyal, and respectful to a man. Oh, Kendo, thank you, man. I'm grateful that it inspires you. You inspire me to get better and better, bro. Yo, what's good, Sam, man? What's good, my man? I've come to a conclusion that the purpose of life is growth. I think that we are here to get tested, to be trained, and to grow. So that after this life, we have become someone very special. Ooh, visiting Thailand. Nice, man. That sounds awesome. Something I want to do.
Thailand.
Thailand.
Yo, chat, I forgot. Yo, you guys want to hear something crazy? Yo, yesterday when we took that buy, right? We took a buy right here yesterday. So, remember when... You guys remember when I closed partials and how I had my stop like at break even? Well, apparently that's set. I think you have to adjust, right? Like when you close partials, do you have to adjust something on the stop? Like make it like X amount now? Like, so like I think I closed, let's say I had 5 contracts open for an example. I closed, let's say 4 of them. But I never switched it on my stop. So when my stop loss yesterday hit break even, I got entered into a sell without us even knowing. Like I was in a sell on the live stream the whole time. No one even realized it. I didn't even realize it. Bro, it wasn't until later on in Asian session. I was down $2,000. I had to eat the 2 G's, man. Yeah, I was like, wow. Yeah, let me show you guys. Let me show you. You see it happen on the live stream. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I had to eat it though. I couldn't hold. I had to go to bed too, and I'm like, ah. And later on, I seen that price did come down here, but I couldn't risk it. So I just closed it, ate the 2 G's or whatever, and then just went to bed.
You'd rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah, nah, this is on my personal account. This is on my live account.
I know.
Oh yeah, no, someone asked, was it on Top Stuff? Yeah, we'll get that right back. Let me show you guys though, because I went back and watched.
Like, damn, the market could come back to entry, but it also could just
like,
be gone. You know,
I'm like, nah, man, I wouldn't be able to sleep properly. So check this out. So all right, so anytime I'm in a trade, right up here, you'll see this circle, right? When you're in a trade. So when you're in positive, it's blue, right? So watch. So we go in. You see how that's blue, right? Before we hit break even. Watch. It's going to go from blue. It should have just completely shut off, but it goes from blue straight to red. Watch this. Did it happen already? Yeah. So I hit BE already. And let me see. Yeah, so it's blue. Blue, and then break even got hit, and once it got hit, it entered me into a sell at like 4 contracts. Yeah, right there, boom. You see it go red now over here, bro. So look how much longer we were on the live stream, right? That happened at like 9:40 something. I had no idea this whole time, this entire time, no idea. I actually didn't even find out till later on that night. In Asian session, when I went to go take that sell in Asian session, I looked and I was like, whoa. So yeah, that was my fault. Messed up there. And yo, we got tapped by, I'm talking when I got tapped at BE, we just got tapped in by like a pip. Yeah, man, a pip. So not only did it cost me my runner, but it cost me like $2,000. Yeah, you see, I had to close it right here. Yep. Why didn't imagine if I would have went and it was like
why does that
profit
happen?
Because basically what happened was I didn't adjust the stop, right? When I moved the stop to break even, it closed out my partials, but that limit order was for like 4, I believe. So yeah, I think it was for like 4, and then it tapped it in as a sell, and yeah, it was just so dumb. It's all good. The market must have needed the money more than me, I guess. Yeah, the guy on the other side of that trade needed it more than me. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, it's a new, like, it's a futures thing, right? Like it's not something that we used to deal with in forex. So
Yeah, screw it, bro. We'll make it back over time.
We'll get it right back.
Yes, sir.
Happened to me before. Stop loss turns to a sell limit. Yeah, bro. I was like, damn. I'm in the top 4 in the competition. Let's go. Let's go. All right, 4-hour closure right here. So 4-hour candles closing now. Sheesh. We broke the lows. We closed pretty strong bear.
Okay.
Daily candle moving down here. 1-hour candle moved very aggressively here. I think we need some sort of like 15-minute pullback, and then there actually may be more sells taking place. Yeah, we're both bearish now on the 4-hour and the daily. We've got a lot of range here on the 4-hour to go, so we haven't necessarily tapped into any target outside of filling that wick. So we'll see what happens. Let's go back. Let's fresh analysis time. All right, we've got ranges all over the place here. So let's break this down as if we were just getting to the desk here. So what we can say is that the daily candle yesterday closed very strong bearish, right? We kind of tapped into the range here. We filled the range. We may or may not have this wick fill ahead of us, but all in all, we're pretty bearish on the daily unless we at some point break that high at 24.20. So let's go to the 4-hour here. We see that the 4-hour candle is closed now, but it's closed with pretty much no bottom wick, right? You guys see that here? Almost no bottom wick on this candle. Again, keep in mind the daily, right? Keep in mind that the daily candle is at some sort of support level here. So this candle can easily begin to pull back, right? And just leave that wick and not fill the full range, especially now that the 4-hour closed with no bottom wick. So 4 hours got no bottom wick. Let's take a look at the 1-hour. 1 hour's got very little to no bottom wick as well. You have a previous range sitting right here at 98. So if you can close back above there, I think buys are starting to look a lot better. Same thing with the 30-minute. And then, yeah, sells probably below 87. So now we're in this range here. You got support here at 87, which is about, wow, it's a 50 pip range. 50 pip range here. Yeah, it is what it is, right? That's the 50 pip range. We can't really do anything unless we get some sort of a closure like this back in the range, like this be a fake out, right? Then there potentially may be some sells from 97 there, so we can take advantage of that range. But if not, then we may have to wait for sells below 85 there today. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now we're coming up to potentially create this 4-hour top wick. But I really do want to see what happens here. I really don't want to take sells here because we can wick down, have no wick at the bottom, and then return back up pretty quickly. So I do like that support there that we're working with here on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Yep. So that's pretty much it now. So I do like buys above, what is this? Buys above 98. You got a nice clean range, kind of retracing everything we just did, 140 pips, and then sells are the best, I'd say, below 87 now, 170 pip range. Yep. Yeah, it's tough here. It's tough to take a sell midway through here when the stops are probably going to be close to, 70 pips.
Stops are huge.
77 pips, yeah. Make sure there's no position open. Yeah, to be honest, I don't know how I missed that, man. I have no idea how I missed that. Reminds me of yesterday. Yeah, man, you never know. Maybe you get the same thing as yesterday here. 9:15, 9:30. I like that green. I knew I liked this guy green.
Greenery. Yeah, damn. Stops are massive right now.
Yeah, I'm not taking a sell here.
Yeah.
Now you'll miss it again. I don't miss anything. I don't miss nothing. I don't miss nothing. You missed it. You missing it, not me.
Oh, dang.
The whole chat missed it? Yeah, the whole chat missed it. You're the only one who collects every pip on the board, Mohammed. Great job, man. Would love to learn from you. You have a course? I'd love to get that course.
Just roasted you.
God bless you, brother. God bless you. Nick, sinner saved by grace. Sinner saved by grace. The Gunners. Yeah.
Maybe 30 celery. That'd be great.
Yeah, 30 celery or some sort of a resistance up here would be awesome.
Oh, don't leave without us.
Take care. Brush your hair.
How you doing? Muhammad, how's the day been today, bro?
My guy's got to be up at least. Where did the day start? At least.
Like 4 Gs.
At least 80 plus 170. Man, you're up like close to 300 pips today. No doubt about it. Yeah. Catching everything on the board. Does it count as a loss even though it was a mistake? Well, you can count it as my loss. Yeah, on your tally that you write Nick Stewart's wins and losses, just put it there. Yeah, that's fine. That way you know. Oh, really? Damn, BE on both of them? Well, at least you were holding for a big move.
Small W, bro.
Smalls does, yeah.
At least you participated, bro.
All right, let's take a look at the 15 here. So remember, this is that second leg down, right? So we were kind of originally looking for some sort of a fade around here, right? But this is that second leg we'd be talking about. So this is when we get activated on the fade, and then we just boom start coming down. So all of the 5 or 6 losses that we took on the fade pretty much happened very similar to this, where we would get in on the break of that high, but price wasn't done yet, right? There's still another little push that kind of needed to be made, and then that's where we got activated, right? So then we would get stopped out there. So we're gonna pay attention to see what happens between these ranges, and then go from there.
Yes, sir.
Wrong chat. Yo, you know what the new trader? I think the new trader's setup design is probably pretty sick. Let me see if I can Google something. Yeah, this is the new trader. So they no longer have like it's no longer just the charts, right? Like it's not charts, it's now streamers. So you got one streamer here, like one streamer on this one streamer on that one streamer over here, the main streamer's right here. You know, the main guy, the main guy that you guys use. The main guy's up here, and then you got like, you know, four streamers over there, 4 streamers over there, and yeah, you're catching every pip on the board, man. So kudos to you. W.
Yeah. Let's go.
Now I know why you guys get multiple screens.
That's their investment.
I don't understand why you want to take sells. I don't want to take sells. We're getting all the pips. You guys are making the list up, right? All right, I got 18 today on Time to Eat stream. I got 22 today. Time to Eat, man. They usually only get like 18 or 20. got like 20 on this guy's stream, and you know 40 on this guy's stream, and yeah, man,
Yo, see, man, that's funny.
you guys are big chilling.
Word.
Oh man, see, Melly, you're funny, bro. I'm in the top 4 competition. Let's go, Harsh. Let's go, man. We believe in you. We're watching. Way to go, bro. Way to keep trading well here.
Way to stay committed.
Just stick
Let's
to
go.
your game, man. Stick to your game. Took a buy a while ago, been in some dirty drawdown. Yeah, that's all right. So like, that's, you know, like when we were looking at the fade originally, remember we were saying, hey, well, you know, we're gonna learn some things, right? We're gonna fail. We're probably gonna take some losses. We're gonna learn a few things about the fade. And then this was one of the things about the fade that I learned, right? Was sometimes you are gonna get that extra push. So if you do get like a closure and there's a clean range, a lot of times, like, although it may look like we're slowing up on a candle, typically it's going to push down there at some point to try and catch all the people that are trying to call the bottom here, which is us. You know, when we're taking the fade, in a way we're trying to call the bottom, but we're doing it with logical data and logical ideas with, you know, history behind it. So that's the one thing I noticed is we would get in, go in profit, and then boom, down, right? So we need to fill this gap here, or at least attempt, and then once we do that, then we can look for potential positions, which it's pretty much been filled here. So that may be the low. I'm in on sells. Damn. Well, sorry for saying what I just said. Yeah, your sell. Trust your sells. Just trust your sells. Because we could still come down here, right? That's why I'm not in buys or anything yet. W. Still watching every day, learning a lot. Let's go. Team no sleep, made some money selling gold this morning. Let's go. Good week so far. Good week, good week.
Beautiful.
Hey Nick, may I have
Hey,
an
yo,
opportunity for a job? The job that makes video clips? Yeah. If you send me a bunch of video clips, just, you know, do some work and find some nice clips that you think would show off your skill set, and then send them over to time to eat trade or info@timetoeattrading.com, and we'll take a look at them.
Good, Swift Jaden.
Swifty. Swifty. Hey, I'll be right back. One sec.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, anyone take these sells on the 30-minute? I didn't. I'm staying out. Don't really like it. You're pretty bearish from this point. Want a bit more information. TK, what's good? You're on a plane. Oh damn. No, Muhammad, I'm not trading in the competition. No, sir. And yes, say my name. Great point, bro. Stop loss is massive as well. Yep. Hey, what's good, Captain? Waiting for an A+ setup. Love it, bro. Same here. We on the right path, bro. The markets reward the patient traders, right? What's good, Wags? What's good, Matt? Do I gym? I think you spelled gym wrong, but of course, I like to exercise and be active every day. Got to, man. What's good, Zebdia? I am great. I'm doing awesome. How are you doing? Yeah, so let's see. We got a 15-minute closure coming up here. See what happens. Coming right into that 15-minute, 30-minute support now. So really nothing. Good, Jora FX. What's up, Dominic? Yes, true patience does pay. I'm doing great. I love to hear that, Zebdia. Lovely. Yo, AB Mike, word, bro.
Okay, so let's see what happens here. See if we tap into that zone or what we're gonna do. We got 9:30 coming up in 15 minutes here. 15 minutes. We may start to
struggling down here. Struggling.
Make our way back up here. Jim, what up, Jim? Bartha. Big Bartha's here today? Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yo, chat, you're hilarious, man.
AB Schneip. AB Schneip.
Chat, you be too quick, too, for me to answer.
Chappy chatting.
They're chatting.
AB Schneip.
AB Schneip. That's the new name.
Stay Barta. An American has never said my name. Try to pronounce my name. Say Barta.
Yeah, word.
Say Barta.
Malaya can pronounce that name.
Maverick be like, say Baba. Please show loose
Where
trade
can you
setup.
sell and buy? You can sell and buy in the markets, man.
You can sell and buy anywhere. You just go outside. You could sell and buy. Yeah, just go anywhere.
Yeah. Go get like some sort of product. You could sell and buy that too.
Yeah, I don't know. The loss was we got nipped out by like 2 pips. That was yesterday. Stephen B. Where you from, Nick? Heaven, brother. New trader on deck. What's up, Law Thomas?
God.
How you feeling about Paris mocking God? Hey, we already know that's going to happen, right? The world hates God, right? The enemy hates God. So we already know that's going to happen. But guess what? God cannot be mocked. It's a beautiful thing, ain't it?
Beautiful.
The victory is already God's. It was never up for debate.
Yep.
Depends on which stream you're watching.
God has already won.
Does the buys look good here? Depends on what stream you're watching. Yeah, the buys actually don't look bad here. Let me take a look at this here. So 30-minute check, got support. Failed to,
Not that guy
failed to fill the wick. We got 11 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, it's maybe pretty good to go here.
You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me, you're not that guy. Yeah, this looks pretty good to
Yeah, I'm
go.
good.
Let's see if we can get an entry here. Yeah, I like the longs here. Yeah, I like longs here. So I'm gonna take a buy here on gold. Stops are gonna be kept below the lows here. Anticipating to fill this wick, 930 coming in, and now we stay above this overall support here. You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. Yeah, I would think we were probably a little bit early, but right now we should be good. We should be good. Yeah, we've already kind of pushed up that one time to stop any buyers out here and then push down again. So I do like this trade. It's pretty sketchy until we break that wick, right? Because we can come all the way up there and then still flip bearish. But yeah, it looks pretty good. 930 coming in, anticipating this 30-minute candle to maybe flip bullish here and close back above the range. Waiting for a close. Nice. Yeah, not bad to wait on a closure. Not bad at all. Let's see here. Let's see. Entry type. This is going to be a fade. So it's going to be a fade entry. Entering on the current candle highs there, anticipating that prices push down quite a bit. 4-hour candle close at no bottom wick. Same thing with the 1 hour. 30-minute potentially going to close back above the range here. Same thing with the 15-minute, and then 930 coming in on the next 15 to bring in some volume here for us. So that's kind of like the idea here, and you know, the way I've planned this trade. Might be a winner, might be a loser. Nobody knows nothing.
Who knows? Who knows anymore?
Nobody knows nothing.
No one needs to know anything.
Yeah, so partials for me probably be around that wick fill there. So that's where I'm gonna have some partials. Sell. I'm not gonna forget to adjust this later, I hope.
Yo, Fab.
And
Gotta make sure we're chilling.
That is it. Yeah, you can wait for the closure. Yep. Yeah, you don't have to take the fade itself. You can wait on the closure and then go from there. Am I in already? Yeah, I'm in. Yep. I'm gonna be careful, man. Yeah, when I close this, I gotta make sure my BE is done. Entry's based off of the fade position. So I literally just said it, like literally 2 minutes ago. Yeah, just go back activated? And yeah, I'm in. Yeah, just go back and watch like the last 2 minutes. So if we look at our playbook, right, we have a playbook here. Let me pull the pick up, or let me just pull the video up. Right, we have a playbook, and in that playbook we have something that we call the fade, and that is all we're doing here. Just taking the fade position. It's explained in a cell here, but just reverse it. Right, so we're coming into those target areas, looking for a candle to close. We know we got volume coming in, so sometimes that candle may not close exactly the way we would like it, a pretty perfect support. So we want to get in with the volume and anticipating that move down instead of like missing out on it. You know what I'm saying?
Feel it?
Yep. And until we really get past this high, then this is anyone's game, buyers or sellers. So we're just executing on edge without any emotion, and we're gonna wait in the 30-minute close in 5 minutes. Same thing with the 15 here.
See what closures we get.
Are you expecting the next 4-hour candle to make a top wick as well? I'm actually anticipating that maybe this 4-hour candle moves bullish, because we have very little to no bottom wick on this candle here. So then, therefore, maybe this candle, after pushing down, seeing no wick to the left-hand side, begins to reverse here and starts to move up to potentially create a support now. Something like this. But we'll see. I thought green is Nightbot. Yeah. Green. Is green Nightbot? He might be.
Maybe he is, maybe he isn't.
The fade is still hard for me to grasp, even though the video, yeah, it's still a tough trade. You know, it's a counter trend trade, so it's one that can go against you. That's why I always recommend going half risk as opposed to like an onion in the higher time frame direction. It's a totally different trade. It's a counter trend trade, so it's gonna obviously be a little bit more risky. But you know, a lot of times it makes sense.
Did you lower your risk on this, Nick?
Yeah.
Or did you go normal?
every fade position until 2025, I go half risk.
I love that, bro.
Yeah, at least until up to about 100 trades.
Smart man.
Question from
Smart man
Energy.
right there.
Yeah, 4 hours has not tapped target fully to the left. If the 15 gives an onion and the buys, well, yeah, but the only thing is that I know it didn't tap target, which is why I have a stop loss just in case we lose. But we did close with very little to no no bottom wick, right? So that's the thing here is we close with very little to no bottom wick on that 4 hour, and the daily again is at some level of potential support here where there's an idea. I'm not saying this will happen, but there's an idea that we kind of can move back up on the daily and maybe even close above that area. So that's all. Could be totally wrong about everything I've ever said this whole entire session, but I'm willing to give it a go.
Yeah, facts.
So yeah, I think we're sitting 27 pips in profit here. Don't want to go break even. I want to leave it open for a bottom wick, and if that hits my stop, I'm okay. I'd rather trust in that idea here. But we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for a closure.
Yeah, facts. Who cares about win or losses? It's more so, did you trust your plan? Did you stay committed to it, you know?
Yep. Oh, my partials got hit. Wait, did my partials get hit? Yeah. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Not yet. All right. I am going to probably go BE here. Yeah, I'm going to go break even. Yeah, no point in coming back down now. So, yeah, going to go break even on this trade. Probably going to move this down here as well and take my partials right there. Yeah, did it take it? No, it didn't take it. All right, we'll see where 930 takes us. But I'm going to go break even on this trade. I tried taking partials there. How do you take partials manually? Can you do that or no? Yeah, I think we got what? 40 pips. So sitting about
stops?
40 pips in profit here. Stops, I think they were about 40. I'm at like 1R there. All right, sweet. Risk free, break even. We'll see if we can drive now. 38 seconds for volume coming in. So we'll see. Yeah, you sell contracts. Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, if that's the case now, I'm probably going to move this up a bit and probably look to secure partials somewhere up here. Yeah, because I want to see if volume could really push us up now. Yeah, push this up. Yeah, I'd say like right around here. Boom. All right, let's see if we can survive this bottom wick. We may not. Might get BE here, but if we do, it should be a nice push. Partials. Yeah, got it. Yeah, I think I could have just sold it right as a limit order there, I believe. Yeah, I closed partials on my Top Step account, but not on this one. Uh-oh, might hit BE here. Oh, yeah, one click. Yeah, I gotta get that. So right click settings, one click execution. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm gonna put that up for now on. That way I could just close partials manually. Is it a good idea to set a buy stop on the high? Yeah, if we re-break that high, it should be good. I like that. Is trading gold futures the same as trading? Pretty similar. Yeah, pretty similar for the most part. It's a sell, bro. All right, well, sell it. Pullbacks have been my enemy. happens. Yeah, we have to break that high. If we don't break that high, then we can potentially move down here. So we really want to see the previous highs break now, which is where we came to on the last candle. We do have volume coming in. It's going to push us one way or the other. It's going to either hit our BE or it's going to push up towards our partial TP. But there's no more risk on the table for me on this trade, or, you know, you guys should take the risk off as well. Yeah, because if we don't break that high, we'll respect it and continue driving downward. Let's see. Subs only comments would be nice. Yeah, we might have to make that a little thing here. Subs only. Did I survive the bottom wick? So far, yes. We'll see if that's going to be it, though. Because we broke the highs, and now we're coming back down. Saved by 2 pips. Nice. Do you trade Euro GBP? I do not trade Euro G. I only trade gold. Trying to get used to C Trader. Yeah. Do I trade on Top Step? Yeah, I trade on Top Step as well. Yep. Yeah, I might hit B here. Yeah, B's tapped here on my personal account. Let's see if it gets tapped on my other one. Looks like I got a smidge of a better entry. Let's see. Yeah, I was trying to close partials up there, but didn't get a chance to. That was like, wow, that was like 52 pips. I bought and sold. Nice. Bought and sold. Sometimes, hey, you gotta be careful. Sometimes you could buy and sell and literally lose both of them. Yeah. Yeah, so when hit at BE here. Thanks for the quick scam. I got you, you know. How many of you guys took profits there? We seen like 50 pips. Yeah, I got the partials on Top Step, but I didn't get them on this one. This one I got B.
Nice, bro. Good trade.
Yeah, good trade. We'll take it. We'll take it. We secured a little 538 on Top Step.
Nice.
BE on my regular account here. Just missed partials. Just missed it. First trade on my 100K combine. Let's go, Dougie. Let's go. Would I say 30-minute celery? Not really. I still think that's a pretty good like rejection wick down there. But if we break it, then we got support right here though.
Yeah, I feel like support makes that invalid.
Yeah. 64 pips. Nice. Nice, Daniel. Yeah, give the stream a like. Give the stream a like if you took some profits there. Yeah, we may still continue pushing up. Yeah, might be down to give this a second run here. Oh, whoa, 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 get rid of that sell limit, bro. Holy.
I don't want to look at it.
Yo, that's exactly what happened to me. That's what happened to me, man. Damn, these stops are massive now.
Right now.
Yeah, we got pretty big stops here, but I'm willing to give this one a second shot here if we re-break that high. Let's put it on this high. Yeah, I think if we re-break this high now after creating that low, it should be good to go. Oh no, that's not what I want. 174 bucks. Yeah. Good trade though. Good trade. Some of you guys call it W's. Job well done. Way to go. I got 10 bucks on a 0.03 W. Let's go.
Lovely.
Can we explain it? Yeah, so basically what we were anticipating was we were looking at the zone here, right? The 15-minute support level. and looking at it as if, well, you know, maybe we've tapped into that target. So although the 4-hour closed bear, it closed with very little to no bottom wicks, right? So what do we know about those candles? That typically what's going to happen is you're going to run down, you're going to look for a wick to fill, and you're not going to see that wick. So you're going to end up turning back around now, right? And this is the 4-hour chart candle we're talking about here, which still has an 3 hours and 20 minutes left on it. So a lot can happen. We can push way back up here with that no bottom wick, right? So 1 hour candle, same thing. There's more range to go, but no wick at the bottom. Same thing here on the 30-minute time frame. We wanted to pay attention to that support. As we kept rejecting it after closing with no wick, there was a buy stop set on the break of the high here. And yeah, that was it. That was the trade. Partials was pretty much the wick fill. So it closed partials on this account here, but didn't get to do it on this one here. But yeah, that was the partials. It was like, I think like 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips, and then that was it. That was it. That was the trade. Anticipating the 30 to close bullish, in which it did. And now we may see a continued push up. Right, we may see a continued push up, but we got this zone here, so we'll see what happens.
Hey, yo, C. Melly, congrats, bro. Big W.
What happened?
He's officially funded with Top Step.
W. Shimeli.
Happy for you, bro.
Good work, man. Good work.
What I'm talking about.
Ain't you know it. Just closed sales on US 30. Oh. US 30. Oh, damn. We got 18 messages here.
On what? Oh.
How come we didn't play the same move as yesterday on the 4-hour? Because we ended up pushing down. So yesterday we had no wick here, right, at all. So this pushed down. So we needed, you know, an opportunity for us to see what, by looking at the 15, right, this range in between here, we needed that, right? We needed that room. So instead of just taking the buy right there off the rip there, we waited, right? We waited for price to come down a little bit more, see what it wanted to do, and it was just a same looking trade as yesterday, but different, a little bit of a different scenario. Yes, I'm gonna have a buy stop. So if we continue breaking the highs, we should push up here. We got to re-break that high though. Congrats, C. Melly. Let's go. W. Funded 120 bucks, made $500 now. Let's go. Good stuff, good stuff. Still got buy stops? Yes. Yeah, I haven't been activated yet. But if we break the previous 15-minute candles high, it looks pretty good. We got 15 minutes left. We may have a 15-minute celery play popping off here. So we'll see what happens. We have a lot of volume coming in. Volume hasn't came in much here at 9:30. So I'm sure it's going to come in here at 9:45. Let's take a look. Why is it not a 30 celery? Because you see how like exhausted that wick is? Like it could still play out, but you see how that's more of like a rejection wick? So this could still turn out to be a 30-minute celery, like, but this is more so of like a rejection from what I can see versus like a wick to fill. And you see how the wick is very long I usually don't like to take celeries like that. So I like the celery to look something like this, where this wick is a little longer, right? But the green candle or the bullish candle is much shorter, right? Something like this, to where you can enter there, right? And then have that wick to fill. Kind of like you see here, right? So you got a bullish candle with a decent sized wick. And then this bearish candle, right, may form, and you see how it has a much smaller wick? See how the wick is something like this, right, versus this? So that's what makes this a little bit different. Yeah. Oh no, we're gonna close a no wick here. All right. All right, I got in here on the first minute, but there's no bottom wick. We'll see where volume wants to push us. Yeah. Yeah, we got no bottom wick here, so we're probably gonna need a bottom wick, and then a re-break of the high would be awesome. And if you don't have a position in right now, if this candle makes a small bottom wick, you can leave your stops below that current candle, entry on the break of the high. Am I in the trade? Yeah, I got in right as the candle opened up. It tapped me in there. So I'm gonna see if we start re-breaking the low, I'll probably just delete it. But if we make a bottom wick, then I'll leave it and see if we can continue moving up. Yeah, like that right there. So now I'll just move my stops up, right? Because if we re-break that low, I really don't want to be in this move anyway. So now I've got basically current candle stops on this trade. Yeah, if we re-break that low, I really don't want to participate. All right, TTE family. See you later. See you later. Have a good day.
Peace, my man. Hey, bless.
Top one? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, top one's crushing it right now. So top one's doing good. We got the competition, the second competition coming in with top one here. So that's going to be fun. If you guys aren't registered for that, register for it. There's going to be like probably a $4,000 prize here for 2 winners. You know, we'll probably have about 8,000 to work with. So it's a cash prize giveaway or a cash prize competition this time around. And yeah, man, it's going to be sick. I think we had a few more trades and charts for stream we could take a look at real quick too. Let's take a look. So we got target, wick fill, okay. 4 hour, fake out, daily, okay, we're bearish. Trade was taken here. Yeah, I probably would have waited for, yeah, that's that same trade. So this has been a rough area here, all London, Asian, pre-New York, right here at 09. So yeah, I think a few other traders took that as well and didn't quite work out the best. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look here at this guy. Let's see how there's no writing on this one. My biggest trade ever hit, 6%, got in, break of the lows. Oh, nice. Just let it run. Let's take a look. Let's see. Wow. W. All right, nice trade, man. Nice trade. Nice trade, nice trade. Oh, no, don't tell me this wicked me out.
Damn.
Wow. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I don't want to be in this anyway. Yeah, if it's gonna keep
Oh, did you
breaking the
take a small
rolls.
L?
Yeah, I moved it up. I think I lost like $50.
Okay.
Wow. Let's see. When can we share the competition? Yeah, I think that's ready to go. Or maybe I think they need to make a little adjustment to it. So yeah, something was happening with the coupon code. That they were making a tweak to it. So yeah. I want to put an entry, but I feel like chasing the trade. Yeah, I just gave it a little second chance, but it's nothing after that now. Buy gold? Uh-oh. It's up, not down. It's down, not up. For the competition, is it going to be match trade? No, I think we are able to use Trading View now. Yeah, you should be good to use trading. So they basically replaced any match trade accounts to where you can use Trading View. So yeah, you'll be able to do it on that. What up, Louis G? How's your trip going, man?
Louis G.
Louis
good, G?
G. How's the trip? How do you sign up for it? I believe TK might be on the plane already, right?
Yeah, TK said he was on the plane.
Yeah, I believe they're working on something. Happened with the coupon code or something. Yeah, it's gonna be on TradingView. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Yeah, hey, we can try and like if you didn't sign up last time, sign up this time. Like if you did sign up last time, sign up this time, and like we could probably have like a $10,000 plus pot at the end of it. So the winner, I think what we'll do is we'll give the winner, the number one, like more, right? So we won't split it 50-50. We'll split it like, I don't know, like 70-30, right? So if, let's say the winner gets 7 Gs and then the second place guy gets like 3 Gs. Or girl, guy or girl. Yeah. What's up, Mr. Kraft? How's it going? By the way, those of you guys who are signed up to our email list, you guys are going to randomly check every time we send an email, check your email because we're randomly sending out $25,000 challenge accounts. So just check. If you're not registered to our email list, come down here, just enter your email in there. And then just be on the lookout. You know, we're going to randomly select people and just send them 25K account credentials to whatever email that they register on here. So keep an eye out for that. We're going to just randomly do giveaways. Yeah, we got like, I think we did 5 yesterday, 5 today, and then we still got 10 coming, and then we'll do a bunch of the rest of them. Yeah. Yeah, some may be 25K accounts, some may be 50K accounts. Heck, you might even get lucky one be like a 100K account.
Never know.
Yeah. Do we list the name? Yeah, we list the names of the winners. Yep. Yeah, I think TK put out the list of the winners yesterday, right? He should do it today when he lands. Yeah, I'll be with TK tomorrow in Miami. We're gonna get some things done for the community. See what we can shake up. See what noise we can make. Gonna be meeting with some big dogs tomorrow, so that should be fun. And yeah, it's gonna be a good 2 days. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute then for the link. I'm sure like they're trying to get it done. Maybe they already sent it to TK, but TK's on a plane right now, so we'll get everything. I'll update you guys in the Discord. Buy or sell? Gold's a little confused right now. I'm not too sure. I'll probably call it a day here. Yeah, we're just chopping around in this range.
Yeah. Gold's like getting choppy.
King Kong. Later, Carlos. Have a great day. Let's go, Wags. Easy fix, brother. Easy fix, man. It's probably just a little couple tweaks and you're there.
Yes, sir, bro. Right before success comes, the man's likely to meet with some temporary defeat, bro, and that's all that is.
Yes.
And that's a sign that success is right around the corner.
Amen.
So keep going at it, bro.
Yes, sir. All right, cool. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what the or actually no stream tomorrow. So no stream tomorrow, no stream on Thursday. We'll be back on Friday. Yeah, we'll be back on Friday. I'll be traveling, so safe trading tomorrow. I'll probably post some things in the Discord tomorrow, but I'll be back here on Friday. So next stream will be Friday, no stream tomorrow or Thursday. Actually, I'll keep you guys posted about tomorrow, because I actually don't fly out until like right now. So maybe we can get some pre-New York work in, and yeah, I'll see how the markets look when I get up and make a decision. Cool.
All right, brother.
John, appreciate you coming
All right.
by.
Yes, sir, thanks for having me, bro. I'll give me a shout later.
Yeah, I will.
All right, bet. All right, bet,
bro.
man. So have a good day. Chad, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or later. See ya.
Later, Gator. See ya.
Peace.
All right, chat. Any last minute comments, questions, concerns? What you guys got before we head out? Anything? We good? All right, I think we're good. So yeah, enjoy the next 2 days. I will see you guys. I'll keep in touch in Discord over the next couple days, but we'll see you guys back on Friday. Don't over risk, don't over trade tomorrow. Just play the game like a professional. All right, just like you normally do on a day-to-day basis. And yeah, we'll see you guys back here on Friday. I hope you guys have a great one. Awesome stream here today. We had to ask really good questions early on, and great topic of discussion. So I'll holla at you guys. Enjoy the next 2 days, and we'll see you guys back here on Friday. All right. Peace and love, chat, Zoomers. See you guys later. And yeah, blessings, my friends. I'm out of here.
The number you have dialed is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Yeah, trendsetter, whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center, hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, is no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better. Solo, single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Kinda came and crushed the competition, hope they get the message. Look, living it fast, spinning my M in the bag. I never go slow, thinking I'll crash. End up a thing in the past, they know I won't though. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger boat. Ironic how the world stops when I spin a globe. Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
B.O.D. Get the spell check, a fact check, and prevent errors going up. See the bent lever, jalapeno hot. Y'all just red peppers, all y'all copy copies, but I'm left center. And your shorty glitching on me like a text center. Hit it with a French tenor. Crazy wait until I do the next record. I leave head severed. I don't need to hit the bench ever. But if I do, I'm PRing to the next level. Condo flights to Lufthansa. Already know who you people fans of. Call me Big Daddy in a big body Wrangler. Call me Big Daddy Adam Sandler. Bullseye, aiming for a cottage with a poolside, full size.
Always showing up. Right. Last year's song still holding up. See the name now and they know what's up. Right. Price hit the top and it's going up. I'm a trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center.
to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blinkies be busting, where they end your life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? 1 more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. Death hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging a rock. We kicking this beating, why serve you sure? Even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah.
Last time I checked, I'm still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still that guy that did it on my own. Stay independent, for you to get what I'm getting, it will probably take a village. Just give me a minute, turn a snippet to a hit, and now they all want a percentage, but I'm only paying visits. Big dog, hit him with thick thumbs and a quick draw. Pit boss, if they ain't playing, they getting kicked off. Jigsaw, I got him puzzled, got him a bit lost. It's a feeding frenzy, I put the beat in a pig trough. Got it on lock, got the password. Type of thing you couldn't manufacture. 10,000 hours, got it mastered. Can't you see the patterns? Last time I checked, I'm still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I'm still the man in my town, they had to crown me. What I used to make in a day, I make it hourly. Told Grand, send me a beat and make it bouncy. When they hear the tag, they know it's about to be big scene, catching us on the big screen. 16, bar slicker is pristine. Let's stream, everything that we spit clean. Big jeans, pockets are looking mint green. Pen game, bulletproof. Look at all the levels that we took it to. Sticking out like a crooked tooth. Staring at the mirror like, look at you. Damn, I'm still hot, real hot. Kept it dope without a pill pop. Bill Cos, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, did it all off of a TikTok. Yeah, last time I checked, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie.
name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up, yeah. This all God, this ain't no love, yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud, yeah. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack and the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put them back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up.